We back. They try to keep us down, Chad. They try to stop us. They try to take us out. They try to ban us. They try to keep us off the YouTube. They didn't want us making money. The people out there, the market makers, my haters, Top Step, they all trying to stop us. They don't want us to win. Think about that, right? I'm not even a conspiracy theorist. I'm just telling the truth here at this point. Let's be honest. Let's be honest. Let's be honest. When they see us winning like this, they don't want us to keep on winning. We are back. It had a little bit of a debacle this weekend. I got basically banned from YouTube I got put on I don't know what you call it. I got expelled for suspension. Yeah, there you go. I got suspended. We got suspended. Oh man. The crazy part is, guess what? We hit 500,000 subscribers. 500,000 subscribers. That's crazy. I don't even know what can I do? Like, how do we celebrate that? How do we celebrate the fact that I got 500,000 subscribers on YouTube? I don't even know. Give away some accounts. Give away 500,000 accounts. Well, if we give away $50,000 accounts, if we give away 10, if we give away 10, that's 500,000. Give away a Warbucks account? I like that. I could get down with that. I could get down with that, honestly. Get down on some Warbucks. I gotta change that. All right, we'll do a giveaway. I can't give away 50 accounts. I'll give away what's 500 divided by 10? 5. Hey, there we go. We'll get 5. Give it away. All right, so what we'll do is, if you want to win a warbucksbtc.com account, you just got to go over there, sign up, and we're going to pick some winners. We'll pick some winners here as the day continues on. So let's go. We're back, chat. I'm so excited. I was a little worried. Did you guys miss me? Did you miss me, chat? Did you think I was never going to come back? Or you like, he's gone forever? He's never coming back, man. Patrick Wieland left us. Daddy, come back. Daddy, please. Don't do it, Daddy. Don't do it. Don't do it, Daddy. Oh yeah, I'm back at my I took over my trading station again. I told D Money, I'm like, bro, get the fuck out of here. Get the fuck out of my trading station, boy. This is my trading station. So I took over my old desk again, finally. Back, oh, I knew something was weird. This shitty ass chair. Get that thing out of here. Bro, I can't be making money. I can't be making money in no shitty ass chair. You know? Can't be making money in no shit chair. Oh yeah, we back in that's the king's throne right there. Now we good. Now we good. Now we good. Whew. Now I feel like I'm gonna make money just this chair alone. The support, you know, the core support, my back, my butt, it's all ready to go. Mm-hmm. Get that out of the way. Get that out of there. Don't need that no more. I know there's supposed to be a Christmas tree behind me, but Ginger, she got crazy wild this weekend. She didn't want to put it up. She said she got no time for that. She has some hot dates. So we're back. I'm excited, fired up, man. To be honest, like, I was at a point where this weekend I was like, man, like, what happens if I never get my YouTube channel? Like, what if they suspend my YouTube forever? You know, what if it's gone forever? What do I do? You know, what do I do? I just give up? Do I retire? Do I move on? You know, do I just go live somewhere else? Go move to China? I don't know why I'd move to China, but maybe something to do. We got 2 cars behind me. We got the Ferrari. We got the Porsche. You gotta say Porsche. It's not a Porsche. It's a Porsche. If you want to sound like a real asshole, it's a Ferrari. It's a Ferrari. A Ferrari. That's scary if they got rid of YouTube. Well, they got rid of my YouTube. They tried to get rid of it. They tried, but they didn't. This weekend, you can see here, where's that little, I brought Nana. I brought Nana to the BDH. You know what the most fucked up part is? You're gonna laugh, but like the most fucked up part is Nana was like, oh, it's smaller than I thought. That's what she said. Like, I'm not even joking. I'm like, okay. Cool, Nana, thanks, you know? My Nana literally made fun of how small my BDH is. That's weird. Messed up all at the same time. So, damn it, Nana, damn it. Damn it, Nana. Nana. What's crazy is Landon. He's growing up, man. Look at him. He's gonna be like a real person. He's gonna be like a real person one day. My little baby boy. My little baby boy, man. He's my baby boy. My baby boy. Oh, yeah. We got Warbucks. We're doing a giveaway here today to celebrate the 500,000 account. Or not $500,000 account, but the 500,000 subscribers that we just surpassed. There's Nana looking all cute. Nana flew on a private jet this weekend. Or I think you guys saw it already, but we had Nana on the private jet. We dropped her off. Look at that. Let's give you all a little recap of my weekend here, you know. Just so you understand how badass I really am. You know, I'm out here just living the dream, boys. I'm living the dream. So yeah, I dropped off Nana at the private jet this weekend in the M3. The M3 is such a sleeper car, right? Because it's not like, it don't really look that crazy. I think the front grille looks pretty sick. This is the competition. The shit, it's fast as fuck. Like, she real fast. But, I like how the thing up top it says no text. No text, no text. Well, no shit. Do Wall Street Journal news across the top there. Wall Street banks prepare to sell billions of dollars of X loans. Canada to provide $720 million to Canada to provide $720 million to Canada Post to avoid insolvency. Oh man, the who would have thought that that mail would go out of style? So yeah, big shout out to everybody watching. We did it. 500,000 subscribers, 500,000. We broke 500,000. Pretty epic. Pretty fucking epic, man. But yeah, I posted like. They were talking, YouTube basically, I got a notification over the weekend that my video had been removed, and then I checked it and it said that I had a strike for dangerous and harmful content. And I'm like, I made a video about day trading. I mean, I know, you know, I know day trading is dangerous, but I don't know if it's the same kind of dangerous that they were talking about. So we're back. Like I said, 500,000 subscribers. There's the Porsche, the 911 RWB with the Warbucks wrap on it, looking sick. Got some new wheels with the polished lips. She's looking good, feeling good. Look at that, good. And then yeah, so look, this video is so funny, right? I posted this video of Victoria. It's got 600,000 views on it. Got 600,000 views on it, man. And the funny part is the people in the comments are like, that's not your girlfriend. That's not your girlfriend. That's a waitress. I'm like, what are you talking about? It's so funny because every time somebody sees a video or a photo or whatever of like my girlfriend, they're always like, yeah, but she's only with you because you have money. And I'm like, well, I mean, I only have a Ferrari because I have money. You know, I only have a Porsche because I have money. I only have 2 boats because I have money. So, I mean, you know, it is what it is, really, at the end of the day. So, I mean, you can hate me, you can love me, but it is what it is. And then I'm going to show you this, guys. I don't know what I'm going to do about this. I'm going to have to talk to D-Money. I don't know. I was at the game, right? I'm at the Dolphins game. It's just me and Victoria, and I'm walking around, and I swear to God, there's D-Money. He's just there. I'm like, what the fuck's D-Money doing here? And then I look, and there's fucking Brett Simba. Dude, I'm telling you, this is not staged. This is not AI. This is real. Literally, like, look at these guys. You know they're talking business. You think D-Money's gonna leave the BDH? You think D-Money's gonna leave the BDH? I'm kind of worried, chat. I'm kind of worried, man. Should I be worried? I'm a little worried, man. Look at that. D-Money just talking to fucking Brett Simba. Like, what the fuck? The fuck are they talking about? Shaking hands and shit? Like, what the fuck? What the fuck is going on? Bro, I don't know. That's weird. The fucking game's going on and these guys are just fucking talking to each other. It's very weird. Very suspect. Very fucking suspect. I don't know what to do, but yeah, me and D-Money, we're gonna have to talk about that later. We're gonna have to have a little talk. We're gonna have to have a little bit of a talk there, D-Money. You gotta be talking to the Brett Simba like that. Okay. I'll see where your loyalty, where it lies. I see where it lies. I see everything. All right. What else we got going on? Let's look at the markets here. We got the picture, the total picture. We got the ES up top there. ES pulling back right now below the VWAP there. We've got the YM over here on the left. We got gold kind of pumping right now. And then we've got old NASDAQ sitting down here hanging out right now. Right now, we got a bit of a, what is that, like kind of a double bottom, but maybe kind of a bear flag setting up for that move down here, possibly. We'll see. It's time. We're making some money. We're gonna make some money. We're gonna make some money, chat. Gonna make some money. Yeah, so the kind of a double bottom on both the ES and on the NASDAQ for now. Big shout out to Lucid down below. You can see Lucid is 40% off right now. The new they call it the Flex plan. Lucid Flex plans. I need to go buy some of these right now, actually. I gotta go buy a couple because I need to get me some of these. These are pretty good. We can talk about it real quick while we sit here getting ready for the market open. Still got plenty of time. So the new accounts, Lucid Flex. You can see kind of the cost, the breakdown. Right now they're 40% off. Once you're funded, I believe there's no consistency. In the eval, there is consistency. There is no daily loss limit. You've got end of day drawdown. And yeah, the 150K account, this is probably what I'm gonna buy. The 150K account seems like a pretty good deal for 189 right now. It's 40% off the normal price of 315, so it's 189, no activation fee, profit target 9,000, max loss 4,500, end of day drawdown. I don't hate it. I don't hate it. I do not hate it. So I think I'm gonna buy me some of those. But I guess the question is, should I get the 50K or the 150K account? What do you think? What do you think? What do you think, chat? What you thinking? D-Money has a Tradeify code? No fucking way. When did that happen? Wait, you're telling me D-Money has a you're telling me that D-Money has a fucking Tradeify code? Since when? Bro, he about to get in trouble. That boy about to get in trouble. All right, I'm about to hit him up. About to hit him up. He about to get in trouble. Y'all gonna get D-Money in trouble. All right. D-Money got a code. Use the code PW. Not D-Money. The PW code's always the best code. That boy bad. Yeah, man. That boy bad. Oh, I think Lucid's doing a deal as well. If you buy 5 of the evals, you get a free reset, I believe, is what I read. Don't quote me, but that's what I read. La 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 la. What'd you guys do this weekend? Anybody do anything fun this weekend? Anybody watch the Dolphins game? I was there. No big deal. I was there. The reason that they won actually was because of me. You know, I mean, let's be honest. Let's be honest. Let's be honest, you know. Why else would they win? By the way, Trade of 8 prop, the biggest, the largest. Should be some new fun stuff happening soon. I can't tell you all the secrets, but stuff is happening. I've been hearing rumors in the industry. Stuff is coming. Stuff is happening. Let's go. When is the Trade Day CEO coming on? So, funny story. Basically, my YouTube got banned on Saturday. The guys from Trade Day were supposed to fly in on Sunday. And, well, I didn't know if my account was going to work. So I was like, guys, maybe hold off. So we actually held off on the Trade Day CEOs coming. So we're going to have to wait and see what happens. See how it goes. Gene likes the pants. Patrick, I shook your hand. Hey, man. I appreciate that. Shake my hand, boy. Shake my hand. Man, this background, it looks so much better than having the shoes behind me like a peasant. You know, I'm over there with my $20,000 shoes behind me. Like, who the fuck cares? Who cares about your shoes, Patrick? We want to see the cars. And I'm like, I agree. I want to see the cars. I want to see the fucking cars, man. I want to see them. I want to rock right now. Walk now. Walk now. I want to rock right now. Protein in the morning. Protein in the morning. Protein in the evening. Protein in the morning. Protein in the evening. All right, so, yeah, NASDAQ, kind of a double bottom there for now. We did not break that low from the overnight, so we're stuck below the VWAP. We got the NASDAQ and the ES looking very similar. Gold pulling back right now as well. Gold just kind of pulled back over here. And then kind of that double bottom. Same, very similar setup on the ES and the NASDAQ here. I'd say maybe like this is kind of getting primed up, right? We get this like kind of back above this downward trend line if we're going to hold that kind of double bottom there. So we'll see. We'll see. Some big payouts hitting Warbucks BTC. That's right. If you guys want to win a Warbucks BTC account, head on over there to Warbucks BTC. We're doing a giveaway. You must have an account. You do not need to buy anything, right? You don't need to buy. Just sign up, and then we're gonna pick some winners to drop some codes or to drop some accounts in. So we did the same thing on last Friday. Today, we just passed 500,000 subscribers here on YouTube. And, you know, we out here, baby. We out here. We living every day. Check out this fucking Warbucks right now. Look at all these payouts. That's what I love about Warbucks is that we have no profit target, right? There's no profit target. The minimum payout to request a payout is $100. You can see this guy right here got an $85 payout. So he requested, you know, $100 and mute that person. But you can see multiple, all these payouts, 85, 900, 360, 500. Yeah. 815, 160, 1500, 3000, 500. So a bunch of payouts going out. We're paying out Warbucks, BTC. Hey, don't get too many payouts. You know, don't make me go bankrupt, people. Don't be too good at trading. Don't be too good at it. I ain't worried. I trust you guys. You'll take care of me, right? Everybody in the chat's gonna take care of me. No one will try to fuck me over. I know it. You guys are all very trustworthy people. Everybody in the chat has my best interest in mind, right? Is that your platform? No, that's my prop firm. Not my platform, but my prop firm. Yes, we're back on YouTube. YouTube, it all got, we had the, I guess the suspension. We got suspended from YouTube, but we back on YouTube. So, Captain Jim, you took some of my money, bro. Bart Majera, you submitted a payout this weekend. Have you filled out your Rise info and all that? Have you gotten, you gotta sign up with Rise. So, just putting that out there. Once you get signed up with Rise, you get paid pretty quickly. Oh, you did via USDC? Yeah, I mean, you should probably, I would say probably today. Leonardo said, I'm about to request $43,000. No, you're not. What are you talking about, Leonardo? 43,000, he said. What you talking about, Leonardo? Now you just being funny. Wait, are you really? Did you get suspended for swearing? No, I got suspended just because, literally just, I think it was just because the AI. Yeah, Leonardo, you're definitely not. So right now, you can see the top traders. This guy right here, Josh BQ, looks like he's been killing it. He's up 10,000. We got going 747, 7747 1, up 9,000, 8,000, 6,000. We got some big profits coming in there, and everybody kind of down till about yeah. There's 100 people on top of the leaderboard right now, making those gains. You got this guy up 37% in a 5K account. Remember, guys, the 5K account is literally $55 for instant funding. Instant funding, crazy. It's crazy. That's right, instant. It's instant for $55. Please offer Warbucks to Pakistan. It's not me. It's the banks, man. The banks did it. Honestly. The banks, man. All right, right now, yeah, kind of like look at the NASDAQ kind of holding there, pushing back up. Pushing back up, 25,260 area. What a move. Friday, quite the move there, end of day. You guys saw that move on Friday? We're literally right there at the end of the day, finally broke out of the opening range and went to the fucking moon and then kind of dumped here overnight on Sunday. But right now, just kind of double bottom, holding up there. It's the end of the year. It's December. The Santa Claus rally. Are we going to get it? The Santa Claus rally. It's a Santa Claus rally. Why did you get suspended? I mean, I personally do not know, to be honest. I think it was just some weird thing with the AI. The AI flagged my video. Honestly, it flagged it as yeah, no, it flagged it. They flagged it, man. I ain't even lying. I'm serious. They flagged it. They flagged it. They flagged it. Dude. Fucking D-Money is fucking white background bullshit. D-Money always got his white background on my computer, man. Fucking my shit up. Patrick, which major news events are prohibited from trading? You can trade, you can hold through a news event. You're just not allowed to open or close, you know, a trade 3 minutes before, 3 minutes after a news event. So, you know, like FOMC, you know, big red folder news events. But like, let's say you put a trade on 10 minutes before FOMC. That's fine. You can put a trade on 10 minutes before, 10 minutes after, or well, 3 minutes. So basically 4 minutes. You just can't trade like right when the news comes out and right after. Where is the link to Warbucks BTC? I mean, you just typed it in the chat. You literally just typed the link in the chat, bro. You just said, where is the link for Warbucks BTC? Well, it's warbucksbtc.com. Did Brett bring a big check to the football game yesterday? I wish. I should have asked. Damn it. I forgot to ask him. I told Brett Simba, where my money at? Where my money at, motherfucker? Where my money at? Brett hit me up on Saturday, said he had some tickets to the Miami Dolphins game, and I was like, well, I mean, I might not be a cheap hooker, but no one ever said I'm not a hooker. You know, no one ever said I'm not a hooker. Living the dream. That was the first time that D-Money had ever been to a Dolphins game. It was my beautiful cheerleader. She wore her cheerleader outfit looking so good. Oof. Oof. But yeah, D-Money and Brett Simba talking business. I gotta keep an eye on those two. Gotta keep an eye on those two. Keep an eye on them. Keep an eye. We gotta keep an eye on that guy. All right, we are getting back here Monday after the holidays. Hopefully everybody had a great Thanksgiving. I know I did. Hopefully everybody here had a good time. Nana, the kids, life, living the dream. It's all good times. Someone said, that's good, you guys came together. That's what real men do. I agree. Yeah, no, it kind of got to a point where it was like, hey, you know, we can all be friends. We can all be friends, right? Drop that shit cap. How about this, Mr. Drop that shit cap? How about I drop your ass? Dropped him. Dropped him like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. What about Jerome? Man, Jerome, he'd be crazy. I heard Jerome's song last night. Me and D-Money, we were walking out of the stadium, and I heard some song. It was something like, damn, I look sexy when I'm fucking. And I was like, no, that's definitely Jerome's song. You remember that, D? Remember that song? That was Jerome's theme song. I be looking good when I'm fucking. When I'm fucking. Oh, I'm excited because I'm getting my new boat, my 42-foot boat. Hopefully Wednesday, maybe Thursday this week. So looking forward to it, man. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, subscribe button. We got 270 likes here on the stream. I've never had 3,000 likes. D-Money gets 3,000 likes, but I never got that many likes. And so help me, man. Help me. Help me, chat. Hoo-wee. Whoa. You guys ever do that? You just like spin around a few times before you put a trade on. See, that's what you do. You spin around a few times, get dizzy, And then you look at the charts again and you're like, oh, well, look at that. It's a double bottom. Whoa, look at the ES. Whoa, look at everything. Whoa. It works, really. Not even lying. Y'all think I'm lying, but I'm serious. I'm serious. I'm serious. I wanna party. Hey, Patrick, do you think we can see green today? Oh, sir, I only see green. What are the specs on the Ferrari wheels? I don't even know, man. They just be like expensive. I think they were like 15,000 or something. They're Brixton forged wheels. Ugh. Do you think we can get back into the channel? I mean, maybe. It's Monday, first day of the month, December, Santa Claus rally. Really, you know, we'll see, kind of. You don't really know, honestly. Or, I don't know. So, we do have that gap, right? We have that gap fill. This is that Friday close, Black Friday close there, 25,400s. Let's see. If we can't hold that, if we can't hold the double bottom here, right? We got that double kind of bottom for now. I say if we can't hold that, well, be looking at, well, this level down here pretty quickly. If we can't hold that, well, then we're looking probably fucking, I don't know if that's gonna happen today, but that last week, 24, we bounced pretty hard off 24,600s. So, Kyle Stewart said we're going deep red. Well, you know what that means. Kyle Stewart said we're going deep red. That means we're going straight to the fucking moon, boys. Straight to the fucking moon. True story. True story. We got a couple things to look at here. We got the ES, we got the NASDAQ, we got the YM, and then we got gold down there as well. We're looking at right now, getting ready for a market open. We got some big deals across the board right now. We got Lucid trading 40% off the new Lucid Flex plans. Ooh! Talk dirty to me, Lucid. Tell me tell me what I need. Tell me. So yeah, the new flex plans, I think they actually had a better, I gotta find that. They had a whole breakdown on why the flex. Okay, here we go. I think we can show this. So the new product launch, Lucid Flex, you get no daily loss limit, no consistency once you're funded, no buffer. If you've been with us since the early days, you know we take trader feedback seriously. It's our job to deliver what traders want in a way that's sustainable for both traders and the firm. And there are three requests that we constantly get. And that's remove the daily loss limit, remove the consistency percentage from funded, and then remove the payout buffer. So that seems like that's what they got. The Lucid Flex plan. By the way, Lucid Flex will only be available on Tradeovate or NinjaTrader. Yeah, fuck that other platform. Yeah, fucking, never mind, I'm just kidding. I love everybody, but definitely not that platform. I mean, you'd have to be absolutely fucking retarded to use that other platform. Like, just tell me you're retarded without telling me you're retarded. You know what I mean? Just be like, hey, Patrick, I'm retarded. Like, yeah, I know. I know, sir. I know. All right, we're getting ready. Getting ready. You gotta risk the Ferrari to get a Ferrari. You gotta risk the. You gotta. What did it say? You gotta risk it to get the Rari. You gotta risk it for the Rari. The Rari for the risking. Well, I'm risking it today. I'm all in. I'm all in all the time. All right. We're also doing a giveaway today for 500,000. That's right. We hit 500,000. I can't believe it. It's crazy when you think about it, right? Like, it's kind of crazy. Like, 500,000 is a lot of people. What am I even gonna do? You know, I'm like, damn. I'm like, kind of like famous. You know, And do you think I'm famous, chat? Like, does that, like, having 500,000 subscribers, does that, like, make me famous? Is that, am I like a D-list celebrity, like an E-list, an F-list, a G-list, a Z-list, you know? Am I somebody or am I nobody? That's the question that I want to know. I want to be answered. When I see people in real life and they're like, Patrick, I'm like, paparazzi, don't take my photo. Leave me alone, leave me alone. NASDAQ just kind of bouncing around here. Like I said, kind of key levels here. 25,200. That low, 25,100. So we got some support, ding, ding, ding down here right now. And VWAP, they are 25,300s. Right now, kind of breaking out on the hourly chart of this kind of little wedge. A little pushy. VWAP coming up there next, 25,300s. If we get above 25,300 strong and we show strength, that might be the long, and we'll see maybe possibly, who knows, maybe we get that gap fill. Anything's possible, my friends. Anything is possible, you know, really. It's up to you, man. It is up to you. I framed my little, my thingy, you can see it. This was what I got in trouble with. So it said, your content was removed due to violation of our community guidelines. There are still 7 days left on your penalty period. Until then, you won't be able to do things like upload, post, or live stream. But luckily, I went on Twitter and I talked about it, and then people found it, and then they unbanned it. So, you know, what can I say? Also, if you haven't seen it, Warbucks BTC, we got a fucking billboard. It won't load. The internet here is terrible, sorry. I might have fast internet, but it don't work most of the time. So it's great. Yeah, look, it won't even load. Awesome. The fuck? Yeah, I swear. This one loads, but that one won't load. What the fuck is going on? Dude, what a joke. I just want to show the fucking billboard! Well, there's a video of a billboard on my Twitter. It just doesn't want to load right now, which I don't understand because everything else is loading. That video loads, this video loads. I can't believe the comments on this video. Victoria looking like a goddamn treat. Like a treat. Look at his comments. Because you have money. Because you have lots of money. Like, look at this guy. No, David, it's because you're a fucking little short little whatever you are. I don't even know what you are. This guy, she's almost scrawny. Well, I mean, I ain't trying to fuck fat chicks, bro. This guy, remember, she's not yours, just your turn. Like, what does that even mean? Look at this fucking loser. This dude sits at home and fucking jerks off all day, every day, and he gets upset when some guy on the internet has a girlfriend. He's like, yeah, but she's not your girlfriend. She's not your girlfriend. This guy looks like you got money. If you didn't have that, you wouldn't have her. Not hard to understand. What the fuck does that even mean? Looks like you guys. I've been broke. I've been rich. And trust me, when I was broke and I had no money, I wasn't fucking fat girls. You know, so I mean, I don't know what to say there, to be honest. I get it. I get that you're a fucking loser on Twitter and you can't get a girl to talk to you. I understand. But even when I had no money to my name, when I had $0 in my bank account, I was still getting my dick sucked. So, you know, I think there's something clearly going on here. I don't know if it's the money. I think it might be my personality. It might be my personality, okay? It might be my personality. I think that's why she really loves me. It's my personality. And so look at that. It's the world. The world is there, all right? All right, look at the NASDAQ here. God. Pumping. All right. We're breaking out right now. VWAP coming up. Let's see what happens, baby. Baby. I told Brett Simba the only way that I will promote Tradeify once again is if he buys me a Ferrari. Another one. Obviously, I have a Ferrari here. He said he would get back to me. That was his response. I'll get back to you. And I'm like, does that mean you're buying me one? Does that mean that you're going to not buy me one? I'm not sure. So we'll see. No promises. I have no idea what's going to happen. We're going to find out. By the way, Apex, I think today or tomorrow, maybe tomorrow is the last and final day for the 80% off $10 PA 100K account for $69. So putting that out there, you know, if you're wondering, Apex got that deal going on. We got that deal going on. We got 15 minutes here till market opens. Right now, looking at the entire market, the ES just pumped, the NASDAQ just pumped. You know what that means. I don't know what it means, but I think it means something. I think it means something here. We're gonna find out either way. You know what I mean? Yeah, you know what I mean. You know what I mean. You know what I mean. Bum bum ba bum bum bum. Ba-da-bum bum, ba-da-bum bum, ba-da-bum bum, ba-da-bum bum, ba-da-bum bum, ba-da-dum bum. But yeah, I'm gonna have to talk to D-Money when he gets to the BDH later. He's coming in later. He don't know that I know, but I know. I know what he's been doing. I see everything. He don't know, but I know. What do y'all think he was doing? This video, I mean, they look really too close. D-Money and Brett Simba. Why are they talking so close? Why are they shaking? What is that? What is that? I never even... D-Money don't even give me a handshake like that. Look at him giving him a hand... God, what is going on? Brett Simba putting his arm around him? What? What? No, they're getting way too close over there. What? Look at that, guys. There is something going on. We got to find out. I got to see what is happening now. D-Money trying to go behind my back right now? Is he trying to go behind my back right now? You know what I mean? They're talking about Victoria? You think? I don't know, man. Nick Arizona said, this is not for real. No, I'm telling you, that's for real. That's not AI. I did not make that up. People be like, Patrick, you trade... You trade fake money. I'm like, well, this is real. I might be a paper trader, but I mean, this video is real. I filmed it from across the stadium with my telescopic lens. I was like, what, you know, look at that. They're way too close. They're not even watching the game. Not even watching the cheerleaders. You know? They're not even watching. We're getting ready, market to open. There's that VWAP push. We got denied. Funny how that works. Still got about 12 minutes here till market opens. 12 minutes till market open. Dude, I think D-Money did something with my mouse. My mouse is slow right now. See, normally it's faster. You see, like right now it's slow. Look how slow it is. D-Money messed with my speed of my mouse. Look at that. It won't even move fast. Woo! See? When he is not with you, he is with him. Sad truth. Alberto, what does that even mean? Wait, you're telling me that you think D-Money spends time with Brett Simba when I'm not around? Hold on a second. You're telling me that you think... Hold on. You think that D-Money... You think that D-Money is pulling something? You think he's going behind my back? Spending time with Brett? Yeah, D-Money got rid of my video game sensitivity. You don't know about this. Look at this. This is top of the line. It's super lightweight alloy. It goes 1 billion kajillion seconds per zillions. Look at that thing. If you don't have a mouse like this, do you even have a mouse? Dude. This mouse right here makes me all the money. Look at that thing. It is so sexy. Brett said that D-Money could use a white screen. That's a low blow. That's a low. D, if you really want to use the white screen, you can come back to the BDH and use the white screen. It's fair. It's okay. D-Money, I won't make you not use the white screen no more. Come back. Come back to the BDH. D-Money is in it for the money. Wait a second. He does. Hey, wait, hold on a second. His name is D Money. So maybe he's only in it for the money. Man. You know, you trust somebody. You give them everything they could ever need, right? You give them the world. And what do? They go behind your back. You know, they go behind your back. No, there's no loyalty in this world anymore. There's no loyalty. See, think about it. If there was loyalty in this world, I'd have 1 billion subscribers. But I only have 500,000. That's because the other 1.5 trillion people that already subscribed at one point, they unsubscribed because they're not loyal. True story. All right, very interesting. We got the Dow. The Dow's pulling back hard, right? We got the Dow. It's pulling back. Interesting. The Dow's dumping right now. We've got NASDAQ pulling back. We've got the ES pulling back. He did it in fucking Sleepy Mocha. Dude. Sleepy Mocha said that he did it in front of you, not even behind your back. That's fucked up. That you're not wrong. That is true. He could have like at least talked to Brett, you know, when I wasn't around. You know, he could have talked to Brett when I wasn't there. But instead, he did it right in front of me. Like right in front of me, people. How am I ever gonna, like, I don't know how we're gonna come back from this. We're gonna have to cut ties. We're gonna have to cut them off. Loyalty is everything, man. Right now, the NASDAQ pulling back here. Pulling back here. We got 8 minutes till market open. Eight minutes. Y'all ready? Y'all ready to make some money? Balls deep, raw dog. Victor, relax, bro. Hey, Victor, just hey, calm yourself. I know you're fired up right now, but calm yourself. Don't get too excited, all right? Hey, we don't need nobody doing nothing freaky. Just calm yourself, you know. You think it was Jerome? Wait, you think Jerome did it? You think Jerome went to the game? Jerome dressed up like D Money. That could have been a thing. You know, it's hard to tell sometimes who's who. They look exactly the same. The fact that people are coming for D Money shows the caliber that Patrick picked. Fuck. Well, I mean, to be honest, like D Money would be very, very, you know, it'd be very silly to go anywhere else. Ain't nobody gonna pay him what I pay him. And that's the truth. You know? Everybody here at the BDH makes 6 figures a year, so, you know, I know what those other live streamers make from the other prop firms, and they ain't making 6 figures. Jerome's gotta go. That is true. That is true. We gotta, once we get the Christmas tree up, we gotta be worried, because I'm worried Jerome's gonna come and raid the BDH, take the Christmas tree. He's gonna try to take a Christmas tree. All right, well, that was a big pump and then a pure dump right back down. Big pump, then pure dump. So we got less than 6 minutes here till market opens. Let's see what happens. Skeletor said, what did I miss with D Money? Bro, it's not looking good, Skeletor. I got a live, someone sent me this video at the Dolphins game. That's D Money and Brett Simba making deals. They're looking way too close. Way too fucking close. Way too close, man. Way too close. Kyle Stewart said, I'm gonna teabag Scott's Trade's face when it's deep red. Man, y'all getting freaky today. The chat is talking about getting like teabagging and talking about fucking all kinds of stuff, man. Y'all be crazy. PW, who is Simba? Brett Simba is the owner of, well, the CEO. I don't know exactly what he is, but he's somebody at Tradeify, the owner, CEO of Tradeify. Wait until you find out who recorded the video. Wait, who recorded the video? ICT? You think ICT recorded the video? Man, this shit is getting weirder by the minute. This is getting weirder by the minute, chat. Things are getting weirder by the minute. If you haven't already, hit that like button, subscribe button. You know what to do! It's my life and it's now or never. I just wanna live forever and I wanna be there tonight. It's my life. Da-na-na-na. 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 Dude, I make so many cool videos, and this is the one video that goes viral. Right now, it's got 630,000 views. A video of my girlfriend walking with a couple beers. Like, how is that the video that goes viral? I post like the videos of my cars and boats and all this crazy shit, and the video of my girlfriend walking with a couple beers is what gets me all the views. I guess it's time to just stop doing anything. I'll just post videos of Victoria all day, every day. Man. You saw Tory trades in the background? Yeah, you did not. No, you did not. You did not see Tory trades. Why you lying? Why you lying, chat? All right. Well, NASDAQ, ES, everything pulling back here. It's time. It's time. We got some big deals hitting the board right now. We got Warbucks. We're doing a giveaway. Head on over there to warbucksbtc.com. Sign up. You do not have to buy an account. Don't buy an account. Just, well, you can buy an account, but if you don't, just if you want to win an account, just sign up. It's free to sign up, and then you get a chance to win. Once you have your account, we can then add your account. So right now, both the ES and the NASDAQ kind of pulling back here, going into the open. I'm back in the fucking thunder. I'm back in my chair, back in my station, back in my thing, you know. D-Money trying to take over the kingdom, but after this weekend, he getting put over there. I'm putting him over there for now on. I'm putting him over there for now on. Uh-huh. Putting it back over there for now on. We got a little bit of news at 10 o'clock. A little bit of news at 10 o'clock. We got no news on Tuesday. We got a little bit of news Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, but nothing out of the ordinary. Unemployment numbers and just blah, blah, blah bullshit. So let's see what happens. Getting ready here for a market open. It's time. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, subscribe button, you know what to do. Let's blow it up, baby. Let's blow it up, baby. Hey, baby. Hey, baby, baby. Hey, 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 baby. All right. La, 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 la. 10 seconds, 20 seconds. I kind of want to see what happens here. We got, obviously, it kind of looks like a bear flag, huh? Like we broke that kind of bear flag line. Do we just go straight short at open? Try to swipe that overnight low. Overnight low right now is 190 area, so let's see. Market is open. This is a 5-minute chart. Why is it on a fucking 5-minute chart? There we go. Pumping, pumping. Everything's just pumping right now. If this candle closes like more up here at the highs, I might grab a long here quickly. Like it, see how it's like almost, it's kind of like holding that 270 area there. Well, there it goes. Let me see if they hold 270s again. I'll look for a long here. All right, we're still holding 270s, so I'm gonna try a long. Look for a push above 300s here. Oh, straight back down now. Oh, classic. Give it a little bit of room here. Try to add into this a little bit. Stops at the low, basically that opening candle low now. If we can't hold 250s, obviously we got to get out. And kind of go over that low now. She's really getting denied there. Not looking good. If we can't hold this low, fucking A. She's right back down now. There she goes. Oh. About to get stopped. There we go. Getting stopped now. Fucking A, man. Gotta love when how that goes like that. All right, now we see, do we go to pull back and hit that low down there? 200 now. This will be like, yeah, like 212 area maybe. The chop is real. And straight back up. Fucking A. I hate my life. All right, well, we're just chopping there. There's the long again, I think. I'm gonna try this long again. Look for a push above 300. Try to add if we break through 290s there. I'm gonna add there, get a push above 300 strong. Try to look for like up into there now. Just want to kind of try to add into this. Got the VWAP coming up at the 300s there. Pretty long here now, so if we break 300s, I'm gonna add again. Got the overnight high for a target up there towards the 340s possibly. Yeah, 340 area for overnight high push. ES pushed up there through the VWAP. The YM's pushing back up. I am long. Been looking for these longs to get through 300 and looking to add here. There's that push, so we're adding for a little add. If we can get a little add, maybe like a 290 pullback and then a little add there. Try to add right there. And trying to target that overnight high now. Overnight high, people, is what I'm targeting. Take profit if you got it. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid to take profit. We're right there at the VWAP now. Let's go through here. The ES is already above the VWAP, by the way. ES is above the VWAP. NASDAQ's kind of pulling back a little bit. Right there at the VWAP for now. We broke through that little previous high. Can we continue higher there? You got gold selling off. It's so annoying getting stopped out on that first long and then it just rips right back up. You gotta love it. You gotta love it. All right, well, we're just stuck right there at the VWAP for now. If we break the high of this candle, I'm going to add again and then just try to sell everything into that push towards that 340 area. So just keep adding into the strength here. Just trying to add into the strength. Had a little bit of a breakout through those highs. Ding, ding, ding. Trying to add here. I'll basically add above 305s. I can just put like that, a little buy stop order. Right? We want to basically just keep riding that momentum to the upside here. Just keep riding. All right, we're adding. We're selling into this push here. Get through the 320s there next. This is a fucking masterclass of trading right now, boys. If you haven't already, hit that like button, subscribe button, blow it up. Looking for that overnight high, overnight highs, overnight highs. $340 area is what I'm looking for here. Sticking to the plan. ES is ripping. NASDAQ's trying to go. Just staying patient. Stick to the plan. Stick to the plan. 340s. Stick to the plan. ES is ripping now. Will the NASDAQ follow? Got these lucid flex accounts. Let's go. Pulling back there into the VWAP. I might try to add here. Oh, man. I'm trying to add right there, 280s now. Try to get this pop back up. Just need to hold this 280 level. We should be good. In trouble if we lose 280s there. We got some big size on it right now. 30 contracts. Uh-oh. Need to bounce quickly. Need to bounce. Not looking good. Fucking A. We're gonna get smoked here. Fuck. The greed is real sometimes. Oh my lord. To 260s now. We just bounced off of. Guess I can try to add here. Yeah, we about to get smoked. Oh, not much we can do about it. Should have taken profit up there. We were up nice little profit there. We were up a nice little profit there for a minute. And we're stopped out there now. So, fucking A. Classic. All right, whole market kind of just pulling back there for now. And see what happens here next. Push right there the fuck. We were right there, man. 20 points away. So close, guys. So fucking close. Right back down again. Fuck. No follow through today. It's so frustrating because the days where you're like, oh man, you know, you don't take profit early. Those are the days where you don't get the move, and then the day where you take profit early, you get this crazy move. So straight back down, 25,240s on the NASDAQ now. Frustrating to say the least. I got greedy. I just really wanted that overnight high, man. Overnight high was right there, 340s, and we got so fucking close. And just got denied, so frustrating. Just got chopped out there, honestly. Sucks. Oh, da, 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 da. All right, 15-minute range coming up here soon. Got about 2 minutes here till that happens. Gotta see what happens here now. Choppity chopping, maybe. The ES did not break the low. The NASDAQ's back down here at the low again. Taking the low now. God. Down there to the 200s again. Fucking A. That's 100 points back down. 100 points back down there. All right. See what happens. Just holding up there. All right, the 15-minute range is now, well, it's going to be set here in 20 seconds. Literally such a fucking cunt. A big old chop fest and just fucking chop it right back up again? Maybe. All right, NASDAQ back up there 250s again. The ES kind of held. Right back up 270s here now. I mean, I don't know. What do you do here? I don't like what I don't know. What do you do? Back up to the VWAP again. Buy low, sell high, clearly. Don't buy high, don't sell low. All right, the opening range has now been set. Opening range has been set. Kind of like thinking that might be the long, this might be the long opportunity, but we kind of need to break out here. Push them back up there, back above the EMA again. Let's get above that VWAP. VWAP's like 300 level. Yeah, this is gonna go higher. Fucking A. It's going higher, for sure. Now the problem is, like, where the fuck do you get in at? I'll try a long. Oh my god, that's not even copy trading right now. Classic. Try a long on 5 contracts on 1 account. One account. And filled. Beautiful. All right, so I think the NASDAQ is going to go. It's just the question of, I need to get an entry here, a better entry. Fuck, look at that thing. Oh my. You gotta love it, man. It's fucking, it's comedy, chat. This shit is fucking comedy. This market is comedy. Comedy. There's that push above the 330s now. Remember, we were long up here before. Got stopped out on that dump just for it to finally break through there again. We're breaking out of the opening range high. That opening, the overnight high is 340s. I would have to believe that we're gonna hit 340s now, but might need to try to add into this a little bit. Obviously, this is not financial advice. I have no idea what I'm doing, chat. Don't follow me. Back to the 300s again. Just kind of, the chop is real. Oh my lord. This is, we're trading 5 of the Lucid Flex evals right now. So 5 accounts, got 3 contracts per account. These are 150K accounts. We got a pivot point on the NASDAQ at 344 pivot point. Let's see if we can start going here and then try to add into that and sell everything into that push. The ES just broke out of the 15-minute range as well. NASDAQ's trying, but just stuck here. There's no way they're gonna dump it all the way back down again, right? No way. No way. But maybe. You never know. Sometimes it goes up, sometimes it goes down. All right, I'm adding here again. That's basically 5 contracts per account now. We need to see if we can get a breakout through this 340 area. Right up into here is my target. Let's go. Come on. No, don't do that. Why has it got to do that? You know, why? Get through the 340s. Let's see if we can get there to the 340s or not. That's the overnight high for now. So we got the Dow ripping. We got the ES ripping. NASDAQ's just going to make it harder on us. But let's stick to it. I think we got to, you know, we got a reason to be long. Right? That overnight high is still very much just it's like a triple top there. All right? Triple top. Basically at that 340 area is what I'm looking at, right? Like, am I the only one that sees this? I can't be the only one. Tell me I'm not the only one, chat. Tell me I'm not the only person who sees it. 340's up there. Oh my God. Just come on, NASDAQ. Let's go. Let's go, NASDAQ. Let's go. Don't pull back. Just go. ES is pushing. NASDAQ's pushing. The Dow is going to the fucking moon right now. Pull up the Dow if you haven't already. Look at that thing. It's got a fucking boner candle that looks like me on the 4th of July. I don't know why it just rhymed. 4th of July, boner candle, going to the moon. All right, let's try this. We're trying to, I want that overnight high so badly. But, wow. Just stuck here for now. I mean, I think if we break through the overnight high now, it's pretty clear to even go, to obviously go more. To go more, all right? All right. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm putting pretty much my cells like up here in this, like 50 area, maybe a little less, like into here, right? Try to sell everything into this push is all we're looking for. Give me just a little push there, you know? Come on, NASDAQ. Give daddy a little push. Push me, baby, push me. You got the ES ripping, got the NASDAQ trying to go. I can't keep living like this. This pain that I have in my soul, it hurts deep down. I just want to get filled, man. She's gonna hit. It's gonna hit. Trust me, chat. It's gonna hit. How much did you lose so far? I mean, $100. Right now, if you buy 5 Lucid accounts, you get 1 free reset, by the way. Someone said no music today? Is there no music playing? You don't hear music? Is there no music playing? There's always been music playing. There we go, boys. Come on. What a fuck fest, man. This is why the NASDAQ is so hard to trade, right? This is why it's so fucking hard to trade. Because of this bullshit right here, right? Here we are. Look, we're breaking the overnight high, just like we said we would. You know, like whoop-de-fucking dude all day. Oh, look, we're locking in profit. Ha ha ha. Patrick Wieland, you suck. You fucking suck, Patrick. You suck. Guys, I mean, I don't know. I cannot predict, right? I don't fucking know that the market's gonna dump 100 points back down before breaking the highs, but it did. You know, I honestly, like, it's just, oh, it sucks. It sucks. Look, now it's going to the fucking moon. Dude. This shit's rigged, bro. Look at it now. What the fuck? Oh, God. Well, we got those Lucid accounts right now. We got those at $5,000 a pop. So we can pass those tomorrow. Yeah, that was a tricky one, man. All right, here's a little pullback. We like to see that, you know, hey, you want a little pullback, right? That's what you want to see, right? So let's see what happens here now on that little pullback. We pushed all the way up there to the 380s. If you're wondering what that 380 area is, if you look on the chart, this is 50% of the opening range. So the 320 area was the top of the opening range. 380 was 50%, right? So it's basically 50% there is what we're looking at. And now a little bit of pullback. So I'm gonna grab another long here on this pullback to the EMA and see if it's possible to get a push out of here or not. Look through that 360 area, maybe 400s. Keep that momentum going. Let's see what happens here, 360s again. If we get stuck right here, I might just take profit. Let me see, what's it doing? 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 What's the whole market doing? I might just take profit right here for a quick 20 points on some of that. And then try to ride the rest a little bit. Put my stop like right there. It's either gonna pop or, oh yeah, buddy. Oh, that news came out, didn't it? I forgot about the news, sorry. A little bit of news come out there. 10 o'clock news just popped. We were on the right side of it, luckily. $10 o'clock news. Making a little bit of money. 514 KCTV said he made some money. Made some money on the longs. Let's go. Love to see it. Love to hear it. I love it. I love you. I love you, Casey. Who made money? Hey, where the guy said that the market was gonna dump today? Where did he go? He said he was gonna teabag Scott Trades. Where did he go? Hey, where'd that guy go? Hey, where'd that guy go? Where'd that fucking guy go? Where'd he go? Where'd that guy go? L-O. Kyle. Yeah, Kyle said that. Pretty much like anytime somebody is in the chat and they're like, if somebody's in the chat and they're like, Patrick, the market's gonna dump. It's gonna dump. It's gonna dump. Like if they're not, you know what I mean? Like if they say that, then that pretty much means that it's gonna go higher. Just a little piece of advice for anybody out there, you know, if you're watching, be like, hey, some guy in the chat said that it was gonna dump, so maybe that means it's gonna pump. See what I did? You know, like it's true. It's true. All right, NASDAQ, can you do something here? Make a new high through the 380s, maybe? 400's next. Who knows? Let's see if we can hold this trend line now. All right, so again, Apex right now, if you look down below, Apex is 80% off. Use the code PW. We might get stopped here. Let's see. We got Apex deal, I think the last 24 hours, 48 hours, and then Lucid launching their new deal as well. And then Trade Day's got some stuff going on as well. I think they're 40% off right now. Trade Day is 40% off, no activation fee there. Use the code PW. Shout out to Trade Day was supposed to be here actually today. And then my YouTube had issues over the weekend, so we postponed it, but everything worked out. You know, that's just kind of how it goes sometimes. All right, NASDAQ just kind of holding up here. Holding up. We got the ES pulled back a little bit more than the NASDAQ here, so I might just go ahead and move this break even. So if we get stopped out, we get stopped out. But at least it's like a break-even one instead of giving back profit. All right, we got stopped out break-even. Now we're be patient. Let's see what's going on here with these moves. So we broke out. We took out the overnight high, pulling back 340s now. This is that previous overnight high. So we got the VWAP down there. We got those EMAs. Looking at the 15-minute chart, maybe get a pullback like 320, 300 level would be good for the bulls, maybe. Gotta find out. Oh. You just gotta see. We got a pivot point there at the 340s as well. So 340 kind of that key level here for now. And then that opening range high. It's kind of like you want to see that like pull back into this like that, and then maybe try to go ding, 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 and then we go for that gap fill. We do have a 480 area. 480 is the gap fill, so about 100 points from where we're at right now for that gap fill potential. So 480s. Let's see what happens. I think we need a little bit of a dip before going higher. Everything else is kind of pulling back. The NASDAQ, the ES, everything's pulling back here. So got some volatility. You got some volatility here. Look, I'm always looking at the whole market, by the way. I've got the ES pulled up. I got the NASDAQ pulled up. NASDAQ just bounced right off 330. Some aggressive looking buying there. Back up. If they get it through the 360s again, could start to squeeze, but it's gonna take a little bit of work. little bit of work. Just really depends on how stubborn the bears want to be, right? That's what this is. A little bit of a squeeze going on. Especially on that big sell-off there right at open. Everybody got short thinking, oh, we're gonna dump. And then what happened? Ripped it to the fucking moon. The short trap. All right, now holding there, 340s on the NASDAQ, the ES, everything's kind of holding. Just not making up its mind here yet. 5-minute chart, little pullback. 1-minute chart. If we get above this 360 area, it could start to get that move up there towards the 380, 400s next. Watch that 360 area for boner candles. You got them boner candles possible. There's the 360s. Some trouble there again. $373, yeah, the high over right now at 385s, and then you got that pivot. I mean, not the pivot, the gap fill, right? That dotted line is a good magnet for price action right now. So they're holding those EMAs. We held the 21, we held the 9. We're back above the 9 now. They're on the 1-minute chart. The Dow just bounced. The ES is bouncing again, kind of bull flagging. $370s now. She's pushing. Like I said, that breakout through the 360s is what we were looking for, and that's 10 points, right? So basically the idea here is if you're looking for kind of the breakout continuation, you kind of want to do one of these where you draw your little line and you're like, okay, you know, where's the kind of, where are we getting stuck at? All right, the high of that candle was 360, the high of that candle was 360. The high of that candle, 360. So it's like we break through 360. Well, there, and that's your kind of entry, and then trying to ride this momentum higher through there now. So 380s, take out 380s, and then you got a pivot point at 420s. 420s on the NASDAQ. So she should try to take out this high from earlier. Take out that 380 high. Just need continuation. 380s pushing again. Watch this 380 breakout. You got the ES trying to push, the NASDAQ trying to push. The whole market's pushing back up here. The ES up here kind of bull flagging on the 5-minute chart. Holding that EMA, the pivot point there for now. A little bit of trouble at the NASDAQ. Back to the 350s again. The momentum just having trouble. A little triple top there for now at the 380s. That's still, hey, that's still 20 points. You know, like, give me a break here. By the way, Warbucks BTC, we're doing a giveaway today. We just broke 500,000 subscribers here on YouTube. Thank you very much. NASDAQ got a push. That 380 area trying to break out, pulling back there to the EMAs again. All right. Tricky. Quite the little trickster today, huh? A little NASDAQ tricky. A little tricky NASDAQ. You little tricky. Why are you so tricky? But yeah, at Warbucks, if you want to win an account, sign up, warbucksbtc.com. You don't have to actually buy an account. You just got to sign up so that we can give you a free account. I know, it's crazy. Patrick, what? I want a free account. How do I sign up? Well, go to warbucksbtc.com. That's right. Also, Apex, don't forget 80% off that $10 PA fee. It's not going to last much longer. You got 1 day to pass and all of that action coming to you. Take Profit Trader, currently 30% off. The 100% test refund happening as well. And then right now, that Lucid, the new plan, Lucid Flex Plans. Lucid Flex Plans, no consistency, no daily loss limit. Get paid. They're crazy. Everyone's trying to make some money. Everyone just trying to make some money like D-Money. Like D-Money. All right, well, she break. So close. 380s wants to go. We get through that 380. 400's next. The bulls are not giving up that easy. We're still holding those EMAs. Someone's like, oh, get short. Well, you know, hey, get short if you want. But why not be patient? Because the way I look at it is like, if you're gonna get short, I want to see what, right? I want to see a lower high, right? Right now, we're just kind of stuck inside there. 5-minute chart, you know, we're just stuck here kind of flagging for now. The short doesn't happen until basically we start to roll back over and then we put in a lower high, right? If you're looking for a short, that's where you're looking to get short. You're not looking to get short right here. Wait for that lower high first. The Dow is pulling back a little bit more aggressively than everything else. The ES is kind of just doing exactly what the NASDAQ's doing. Gold's pulling back. It's getting real tight here either way. We got the next 15-minute candle opening in 3 minutes. Patience. Patience, son. Patience. Like I tell Landon, you got to be patient sometimes. It's like fishing, man. Whenever you go fishing, you know, you sit there all day long trying to catch a fish. And do you get mad about it? You know, think about it. Like, do you get mad? Are you like angry? Are you upset when you don't catch a fish in the first hour? You just got to, you're like, well, it is what it is. So I think that's trading sometimes, right? You got to just kind of sit back and be like, hey, I'm going to just wait for something to really look good. And then I'm going to get in, you know, like I'm going to get in once it looks real good is what I'm going to do. So getting real tight here at the 80s. Will she go? Real tight, tight. Real tight, real tight, real tight. Oh yeah, she gonna go. There's that breakout. Like I said, boom! Sorry for everybody at home that has headphones. Just blew your fucking minds, boys. Just blew your fucking minds. Just blew your fucking mind, boy. Like I said, no reason to get short until there's a reason to get short. Right now, we're just kind of grinding higher here. So be careful. It goes both ways, you know, I mean, we saw earlier, you know, we took that long at open, got stopped out, it fucking ripped all the way back up, hit our target. Just kind of how it is sometimes, man, it sucks. There's that fake out, we just had a fake out above that 380s, this could be bad. Trying to see like what we're, I mean, I guess kind of like a big, on the hourly chart, it kind of looks like a head and shoulders type thing, huh? So yeah, like this is kind of previous resistance there at this level. Right there, 380, previous resistance. Do the sellers start coming in here now? It's not easy. It ain't easy. I'll tell y'all a little secret. Trading ain't easy. Did I just blow your fucking minds? Are you impressed? Wow, Patrick, you just blew my mind, sir. You just told me that trading's not easy. Well, you know, I hate to lie to you. I would hate to lie to you. It's a new month, December 1st, first day of the month. Trying to be green here, you know, trying to make a little bit of money. Just trying to make a little bit of money. I got these new Flex accounts from Lucid Flex accounts. We made they're 150K accounts, so the profit target's 9,000. We're a little over that, but basically like tomorrow we'll just make another 5,000, you know. Just make another 5,000 tomorrow, like nothing, you know, no big deal. Something like that, you know. We figure it out, don't worry. We're gonna figure it out. We're gonna figure it out. Right now, yeah, just kind of like little pullback there. We'll see what happens here next. If you guys have not already hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. I want to give a big shout out to everybody in the chat. You guys are fucking legends, right? Everybody, y'all are, well, there's some retards, but most of you are legends. The people who show up every day, the people that support the stream. I fucking love you. I fucking love you. This is a picture of me in my other life, giving you a kiss. That's what I do to Victoria every night before bed. I put on my little crown and I say, mwah, goodbye. But yeah, man, love you guys. Big shout out. 500,000 subscribers. Look at that. We did it. That's crazy. 500,000 motherfuckers. 500,000 motherfuckers watching me on YouTube. Like, think about that. That's crazy. That's crazy. You know? What happened to D-Money? He gone. D-Money out of here. He going to Tradeify. I swear, he gone. He left me. True story, man. I think he told me he gonna put in his 1 week notice. So he gonna stream at the BDH the rest of the week. But then after that, he gone. Look at him. Look at him smiling ear to ear. He think I don't know. I know. I know what he's doing out there, you know? Look at him. Talking to Brett Simba. You think I never seen no one do business deals before? Look at that. That right there, they just signed a deal. That's $1 million deal handshake. Look at that. $1 million deal handshake, the fucking pat on the back. Uh-huh. I knew it was weird. Brett Simba hit me up. He's like, hey, what are you and D-Money doing tomorrow? I'm like D-Money, what about D-Money? He goes, you know, what are you guys got any plans tomorrow? I'm like, well, man, you know, I don't, maybe, let me ask him. And I asked him, he's like, yeah, we're gonna go to the Dolphins game. I'm like, okay. D-Money never been to the Dolphins game, but Brett Simba taking him there. Jerome took the pick. He definitely took the pick. God damn. Man, oof. Dude, my girlfriend be looking. Look, what's funny is look at the cheerleader. The cheerleader got the same boots on that Victoria got on. Kind of funny, actually. I planned that. She's like, I'm gonna wear his white boots. I'm like, perfect. You don't look like a cheerleader walking around. It is hilarious when you see guys like they be like this. They'd be like, you know, you ever see these guys? They'd be sitting next to their girlfriend. You know, they'd be sitting there, and then a hot girl walks by, and they're like, they mind blown. I'm like, dude, y'all gotta like learn how to look at women. When a woman walks by you, you don't fucking go. You know, you gotta like do a little, like make it a little less, you know, make it a little less obvious. Crazy. These dudes they be holding their girlfriend's fucking hands, holding their wife's hand, walking around, and then they see Victoria and they're like, no. Hey, wait, you think Brett Simba took D-Money shopping? You think D-Money and Brett Simba went shopping? I never even went shopping before. Damn. Dark sunglasses is key. I mean, hey, do what you're gonna do. But again, I'm just like, you know, hey, don't act like you've never seen a hot woman before. That'd be my one piece of advice, right? People out there be like, Patrick, I can't get a girlfriend. I'm like, listen, I'll give you one piece of advice. First off, don't fucking act like you never talked to a hot girl before. All right, don't fucking be like, oh my God. You know, never tell a girl she's fucking hot. You know, unless she's butt ass naked on top of you, then you can tell her. But any other time, don't tell her. If you're at a bar and you're talking to a girl, don't be like, hey, you hot. No, don't say that. Be like, yeah, you okay? You know, you okay? You know? You okay? People don't believe me. I'm telling you. Everyone's like, yeah, but Victoria's only with you for your money. First off, when Victoria met me, I did not own a supercar. I didn't have any money. Like, it's not even like, well, I had a little bit of money, but like, I didn't have the money that I have now, by the way. And she still had sex with me. All right, she had sex with me before I had a supercar. So I'll put that out there, all right? She might be with me for my money, but when we first started dating, she didn't know I had any money. So that's the truth. All right, all right. Right now, the NASDAQ just kind of stuck here, going nowhere. Going nowhere. Catherine Rogers says, I'm a chick and I'd still stare at her. She's beautiful. Damn, Catherine. Damn, Catherine. I like that. Hey, it's true. I look at her too every day. I look at her, I'm like, damn. How the fuck did I convince her to be my girlfriend? That is, you know, like that. People will be like, Patrick, you know, you're pretty good at trading. I'm like, nah, man, I'm okay. You know, when it comes to trading, I'm okay. But when it comes to women, I'm hitting way above my fucking average. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? I can trade, make a little bit of money. Yeah, I can do that. But when it comes to women, ooh, that boy good. That boy real good. Maybe she needs an optometrist. I don't think she's with me for my looks, you fucking moron. How do you do it? It's personality, boy. Personality. Women don't care how good looking you are. They care if you can make them, well, I wouldn't say make them laugh, but you gotta like truly make, you know, because some girls be like, oh, he makes me laugh. But it's like, she'd be laughing at you because you're goofy, you know, but there's difference, right? There's like the kind of like when you make a girl laugh because you're actually funny, right? Like I'm actually funny. A lot of guys, they ain't funny. Girls be laughing at them, you know. It's above the VWAP. It is above the VWAP. The NASDAQ, the ES pulled back to the VWAP, bounced right off the VWAP there. Up top right now, you can see. And the NASDAQ is kind of chopping around there, 340s now. Pablo, are you using Lucid? Can somebody in the chat help Pablo? I think he's fucking retarded. Let's help our retarded friend here. Pablo, are you using Lucid? Yes. Yes. Boy, ain't nobody care about your jokes when you're dealing with 25,000 trades. What? People don't watch me because I'm good at trading. They watch me because I'm funny, okay? Let's make that very clear. You know? No, they definitely care if you're attractive. When you are, they don't want anything from you but time. Ask me how I know. Dude, J-Raw. Let me, first off, I want to tell you, I want to claim something here, right? This guy's name is, his username is, where'd it go? J-Raw 9576. All right, like, I'm gonna be honest. I can guarantee that you butt-ass ugly. Ain't nobody good looking have a name that's JAR 9576. You're either like a fucking 80-year-old dude or you're like a fucking 20-year-old little dweeb. Because again, ain't nobody that's good looking gonna make a username that's JAR 9576. Yeah, let's be honest. Let's be honest. That's the truth. You know, that is the truth. I guarantee that you a goofy motherfucker. You know, you ain't good looking, so you don't even tell me how you know how girls like good looking guys. Yeah, look, see everybody laughing because they know. Look, Gabriella, tell me the truth. If some guy named JAR 9576 hit you up and was like, hey, you're good looking, what are you gonna say? You're gonna be like, get the fuck away from me, you weirdo. You fucking weirdo. Why do you care about men looking good? I like men. I'm gay and retarded, okay? I don't know what you're talking about. This is a show about gay, retarded men, all right? I just got banned from YouTube over the weekend. What can we do today to get banned again? Can I do it twice, back to back? The most banned motherfucker on YouTube? I'm not gonna lie, I was like, what am I gonna do, right? Like, am I gonna like, but what would I do? Like, where would I go live at? You know what I mean? Like, what would I like go on Twitter? Like, I'm gonna go on Twitter and like trade live on Twitter? Like, what the fuck? Hey everybody, I'm on Twitter. Look at me. My stream's about to get shut down. It's okay. Just remember, if I ever disappear, right? If Patrick Wieland ever disappears, remember who it is. It was Top Step. All right? They're desperate, right? I wouldn't be surprised if they're gonna try to get me murdered at some point. They can't beat me in the lawsuit, so now they're gonna try to take me out in real life. I'm telling you. Watch them. What channel was banned? I was banned, this channel. They banned me for being violent. It's messed up. Look at this. I got proof of it. This is what they said. It said, Patrick, your content was removed due to violation of community guidelines. But don't worry, you got 7 days left in your penalty period. Until then, you cannot post, upload, or live stream. Someone said, do you play golf? Do I look fucking gay? Do I look like someone who would be gay? You just asked me if I play golf. Let's be honest. Do you think I'm a kind of man who wants to go out with other men and chase balls around? Come on. Is that the vibe that I'm putting out here? Is that what you guys are seeing? Because I'm confused. No, I don't play golf. Honestly, I don't have the attention span. Golf is fun for like the first like 2 or 3 holes, and then after that, I'm done. Kind of like sex, you know, the first 2 or 3 holes and I'm good. Give me 2 or 3 holes and that's all I need. I'm done for the day. That's all I need, baby. Oh man, you know what I need? I need a Netflix show. That's what we need. Somebody, hey, has anybody got connections at Netflix? Anybody? Who's got the Netflix connection? I need a late night Netflix show. You know? Need a little late night Netflix show. Hey, and trust me, I'll be like, you know, I'll be doing some freaky shit up in there. If I could do whatever I wanted, it'd be crazy. All right, NASDAQ pulling back here. ES is right there, the VWAP. See how the ES is bouncing off the VWAP? It bounced off the middle of the opening range. The NASDAQ pulled back to that 300 level, pushed right back up again. Let's see what happens here next. Will we go higher? Looks like the Dow went all the way back down to the opening and just swiped it and bounced back. We got gold kind of sitting down there going lower. Anything's possible, man. We watching, we're waiting. It's not a coincidence that it all looks like this, though. Would you go to a Diddy party to get a Netflix show? I mean, like, what would I have to do at the Diddy party? You know, that's the question. Because I don't really like baby oil, man. That shit, it just gets all over you. And you can't get, you're like, I can't get it off. Stranger Things with Patrick. I like that. I do. That is pretty good, actually. Stranger Things with Patrick. PW 30 for 30. I mean, that would be good too. I think at some point I do need to make like a proper documentary, right? Like a proper Patrick Wieland fucking, where'd he come from? Who is he? What's his dreams? Proper, you know, just a proper documentary for all 500,000 of my fans to learn. Oh, but crazy, man. Like, I know I keep harping on it, but like, what a wild thing. Man, you're so full of yourself. Hey, D Wizzy. Hey, I wanna ask y'all a question in the chat. Do you think I really think I'm that? You know, do you guys truly think that you know, this is a show? You know, we just out here having a little bit of fun, try to make a little bit of money. You know, we just try to make a little bit of money. I can't help it. I can't help it that I'm fucking good looking. You know, I can't help it. People be jealous. There are so many men that are jealous, right? I got money, I got brains, I got a big dick, I got money, I got more money, I got 2 boats, I got a Ferrari, I got a Porsche, I got a McLaren, I got a F-250, I got a Raptor, I got a trophy truck, I got another trophy truck, I got a house, I got the BDH, I got a computer, I don't know why you would hate me, right? I am living the dream, boys. I am living the dream. All right, this is, yeah, someone said this looked like it wants to go down. Let me see what we got. 1 hour chart. ES is pulling back through the VWAP right now. NASDAQ right here at the VWAP. The Dow's making new lows right now, pretty hard. You know? We got no internet to get, we got no internet computers here at the BDH. I want to apologize for that. I had to sell all the internet connected computers. It's true. I know. It is very depressing, but I didn't want to talk about it because people are going to make fun of me because they think I'm broke, but I had to sell the internet connected computers. They gone. This right, I don't know if this is on Starlink. We're not in the internet. What are we at? We in the space. We got a space shuttle. Space shuttle. Dude, I gotta find the video of my when I got 5,000 subscribers. Like, what a wild fucking time. Like, I think, you know, like you get like kind of used to it, like as you just get bigger and bigger and bigger. But you gotta think, like, at one point, man, the idea of having 500,000 subscribers on YouTube was like, that was a crazy idea, right? If I had told people like, I'm gonna have 5,000 subscribers, they'd be like, no, you're not. You suck. You're not funny. You're an idiot. And I'm like, fuck, you right, you right. All right, NASDAQ is kind of holding up there at the VWAP. What I want to see now is basically like, we got to get below this VWAP, and I'd be like very cautious either way because we got the middle of the 15-minute range there as well. So that would be like, basically, if I'm looking for a short, it would have to get down through here and then kind of like, you know, get stuck there. You know, this could play out as a bear flag, but let's not go chasing waterfalls right now. That 5-minute candle, it's like wick, wick. You got a minute and a half left on there. Good time to be patient, right? Just be patient here, my friends. Don't go chasing waterfalls. I've been trading, you know, for a long time, and I'll tell you one little secret. You ain't gonna get rich off one trade, but you can blow your account on one trade, right? That right there is the truth. That is the God's honest truth. People don't believe me, but they'd be like, what do you mean, Pat? I'm not gonna, no, you're gonna lose on, you know what I mean? Like, you're gonna lose. If you're gonna lose, you're gonna lose. Make sense? Makes sense. But yeah, I mean, it don't look good. But this could just be kind of that choppy little, you know, fucked up zone. Dude, did I not make a fucking 10,000? Did I not make a fucking? I thought I made a video about getting 5,000 subscribers. Where did it go? I can't find it now. Fuck. It's so annoying. All right, there we go. We're selling. So now, like I said, I want to see like some continuation of this move because this could be kind of a trap and then chop it back up. Let's just be careful here. If we start to lose these lows, there's a lot of downside potential as well. So that's kind of what we're looking at. Just being patient here. Bro, where did the fucking video go of me having 5,000 subscribers? How did I not have this?
Had I known that Patrick Wieland was hosting his...
Still going lower, 280s now. All right, she's rolling. Dumpity dumping. Dumping. Let's see what happens here next. Being patient. This is like one of those annoying trades where you're like, You know, you could have taken that short right there. But the problem is, like, I know 100% if I would have, you know.
Well, I've got some big news. The planned trade profit.
Dude, I did it. I found the video. Look at this shit. Let's just be careful here. Give it a second, right? Let this pump back up. And then, because it's like, this could be that trap, right? These, like, if you get short down here, you get trapped, and then it fucking goes straight back up. So, just be patient. Right, that 15-minute candle, this is what I'm worried about. Is like, if this starts to go rip back up, you gotta be aware of that for now, guys. Don't go chasing this waterfall. And look at it. So, this is exactly what I was worried about happening. What did I say? We needed to get below the middle of that 15-minute range. Look at this push. Guys, oh my God. Did we not just talk about this? Hey, even if you don't ever listen to me and you think I'm a fucking moron, you gotta give me some props on that, right? Just the idea of like, hey, I'm telling people like, hey, just be patient here, right? Be patient, let this play out. Was not taking a short there. I was not gonna short the break of 300. And look at that. Right back up now. So it retests the 15-minute trend line. Yeah, kind of. I mean, that's a pretty bullish 15-minute candle. If this thing closes like that, well, then we're looking, I think, for filling the gap, maybe 480s later on today. So, bro, what is this price action? This is Monday, no news price action, baby. Check this thing out. This is a video that I made 8 years ago. It's got 1,000 views on it, guys. It's got 1,000 views on it. Think about that. That's pretty fucking hilarious. That I made a video 8 years ago and it's got that many views on it. And look, people were commenting like, look, congrats, it'll soon be 50,000 views. This is pretty funny. This is 8 years, like 8 years ago. Like, I don't know. Just kind of a crazy fucking... This guy right here, Jeff, please don't let negative people get you down. Stay positive. You have a very good attitude and outlook. Good look, man. That's pretty sick. Honestly, like, I know, like, I always like talk shit and blah, 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 but like, this is kind of, it is like, this is my life, right? Like, this has been 8 years of my life. Putting in the time, putting in the work, you know? People are like, Patrick, you know, I want to do what you do. And I'm like, just start working, man. Like, whatever your ideas are, whatever your dreams are, the only way to get there is to fucking do it. Look at this fucking guy.
I've got some big news. The Play and Trade Profit channel just hit a milestone. It might sound
wearing that shirt
to most people, but we just broke over 5,000 subscribers.
That's crazy.
Which is amazing. I started this channel almost 6 months ago with really no plan other than making videos and showing my journey to become a profitable day trader and sharing some of the lessons that I've learned along the way. Well, in the last 6 months, this channel has had 519,000 views, 1.9 million minutes of videos watched at an average view duration of 3 minutes and 57 seconds, 11,409 likes, 9,813 comments, 1,297 shares, and over 250 videos posted in the last 6 months with viewers from all over the world, literally from all over the world. It's been so cool to see everybody tuning in, people commenting, people sending me messages and talking, and the live stream has been really awesome. I just want to thank everybody who has subscribed so far and thank everyone for their support, the comments, the email.
You made it.
You made it, man. Cool. I've actually met some really cool people through this channel, some really cool people through day trading. We talk every single day.
And I'm looking forward to the next 6 months. Push it back up here hard, guys. She's going hard right now. Like I said, no reason to get short down there.
Nobody knows, but I know one thing. I'm going to be working hard for you guys. I'm going to be uploading every single day. I'm going to be trading live, doing as much as I can to help, and also just documenting my process.
That fucking that chair, dude. What was that chair? What was they doing back then?
With your guys' help, I think we can easily grow this channel from
like,
what it is now to one of the largest day trading channels on YouTube. This channel is no longer about my journey to becoming a profitable day trader. It's now a community of people all working towards the same goal of becoming a profitable day trader. If anyone can do it, we can.
That's crazy. It's crazy. here we are, man. It's life, man. This is it. Like, you guys, like, it's like, it's it. Like, it's life. Like, it's wild. 8 years, you know? Like, if you go back in time and to, like, think about that 8 years ago, like, I was excited to have 5,000 subscribers, right? Like, if you would have told me 8 years ago that I'd have 500,000 subscribers, I would have been like, nah, man, there's no way. No way that's gonna happen. But we did it. Fucking wild, man. Pine Tree Trader. Let's go. 1 million subscribers next. You're gonna make me cry. You're gonna make me cry. That's crazy. Honestly, though, like, I think it's just like proof. At the end of the day, it's just proof that I just kept going, man. Like, I never stopped through all the bullshit, you know, like, so much bullshit happened. People, you know, everybody wanted me to not everybody, but, you know, it's very easy to just like focus on the negativity, right? To see all the people that are like, you fucking suck. We hate you. You know, like, it's very easy to get caught up in that. I think that's for like every influencer, for every trade, for anybody that's like doing shit online. It's just, the problem is like, we put so much work, right? I put so much work, so much effort, so much time into making these videos, doing the live streams, building out this, like, everything here is built out to make the best possible live stream for you guys. And it's very easy to get caught up and only focus on the negativity, right? Because it's just like negativity. It's just easy to be like, oh, you know, fucking this one guy said that I'm fucking ugly. This one guy said Victoria's only with me because because I'm rich, you know? It's funny, like, it's easy to get very, like, caught up in that. So big shout out to everybody that has supported the channel and been here since maybe since day one, honestly. Love you guys. It's a crazy time to be alive, man. Fucking crazy time to be alive. All right, NASDAQ, we're back above the VWAP here. A little pump back up. Maybe some more choppity chopping. We'll see. We'll see. Pull it back there to the VWAP. So this is kind of that lower high we talked about earlier, right? Is this going to be that lower high for the pullback and then we start to sell off here? Possibly. We'll find out very soon. I don't know. I mean, that was a very, like, that 15-minute candle was very bullish. Sorry, well, it was for a second. Now it's pushing back up there a little bit. See what happens here. Right now, that 15-minute range is kind of in play. Choppity chopping today, baby. Lots of chop. Lots of chop. The ES, the NASDAQ, everything is kind of stuck here inside that opening range. Just stuck there for now. Let's see what happens if we bounce around those VWAP now. Do we show some buyers stepping in there? We got basically 1050 to 11 should get interesting, and then maybe after 11, that hourly candle when it opens could get going again. Oh God, nice little breakout there. It's like a little longy dongy here. I might add into this or just see what we can get out of it. If we're gonna try to push back up through the 380, 360s maybe, but you got 5 minutes until that 1050 algo rhythm. Big shout out to Lucid right now, 40% off Lucid. No consistency, no daily loss limit on their new plans, the Lucid Flex accounts. The Flex account. All right, we're having a little bit of trouble getting through there. I want to see if we can ramp up through this 50 area. I might try to sell into this like 53 push into this wick right here just to be kind of cautious, right? Go for that 20 points here. For now, can always jump back in on like a pullback, breakout kind of thing. ES is trying to push back up. NASDAQ's trying. Let's see if we can get a quick 20 points here. It's quick 20 points. Trouble. Trouble. Nope. Got the VWAP down there right now. VWAP's at the 310s, so like kind of sucks to have my stop right there at the VWAP, but whatever. We'll get stopped out. We can always re-enter. Keep the losses small. Because if I move my stop down, then it's like if I get stopped anyway, I'm just gonna end up losing more on it, so just keep it tight there for now. Keep it tight for now. We got the opening range high there at the 22s. See if that gets respected. I'm gonna move my stop to the bottom of that candle now. It's kind of holding right there. If we lose that, just kind of keep my stop a little tighter there. And like I said, you can always re-enter, right? But what I don't want to do is just like have my stop down here just to get stopped out and then, you know, take 50 points when I can just minimize that. And that's the big thing, right? We'll just minimize the risk, keep the reward kind of the same. And it's a win-win. So let's see if it'll hit. A little push back up, get through that 40 area. Got all these wicks right here. Come on. We got the high of days so far, 387s. Right, 387 high of day. Keep that in mind. We got Apex currently 80% off, the last and final chance. Last and final chance. I'm just stuck here now. Classic. You ever feel like whenever you enter a trade, the market goes nowhere? Yeah, well, I feel like that a lot of times. So 1050 about to pop. We might get a little bit of volatility here between like 1050 and 11 going into that 11 o'clock hourly candle. Looking at the currently hourly candle, got 10 minutes left there, obviously. Right, will that try to want to push up a little bit more? We had these like wicks there, that 40 area. See if this gets hit. Almost. She's testing. I kind of now, I guess I could we'll move my stop to the low of that candle now. So now we're only risking 6 points, right? Just kind of minimizing my risk here. Either we gonna go or we not. So let's see if we can break through this 50. There's the 1050 little push. Oh, wow. Right there, huh? That's what you're gonna do to me, NASDAQ. That's what you're gonna do to me. That's what you're gonna do to me, NASDAQ. Get me right there. 2 points away, 1 point away. Why? The high on that candle was 51. Classic. Classic. Just so classic. Let's go. All right, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna move my stop to break even and see if I can't get a little bit more push out of it. Or my stop at the 38s now. Let's see if I can't get like 50. There we go. Beautiful. All right, I like, hey, sometimes it's nice to have those little, you know, I talked you guys through it. I talked to you kind of like what I'm looking at, the idea, right? There you go. Now it's going higher. Hey, I took profit so that you guys can sell higher, right? People will be like, Patrick, you're not doing nothing for us. I'm like, guys, I take profit early so that way you can get more profits. I do it for you, right? I do this stuff for you guys. No one believes me, but I do it for you. I take profit early so that my chat can get more money. Look at now the 63s. Hey, don't ever say I never did it for you. Don't ever say I never done nothing for you, okay? Thank you. I did it for you guys, all right? Beautiful trade there, guys. Beautiful trade there. Look, it's still going higher, by the way. Congratulations if you're long. Like I said, guys, there was no reason to get short, right? No reason to get short. Why? Well, we had our 15-minute, middle of the 15-minute range holding. Look at that reaction right back up. The funny part is, I don't know if I can do it. Let me see. Watch this shit. I literally drew this move out before it happened, by the way. Watch. Where is it? Where'd it go? Kind of. No, not yet. Almost. A little bit more. Oh, right. Oh, no. Keep going. No, see? Did I not draw this out, chat? Remember, this was literally back when the market was down here. I put that on the chart. There you go. Up there to the 400s now. Going to the fucking moon. Classic. To the fuck. Oh my, look at that. Green. Absolutely classic. Let's go. Somebody got 3 accounts funded. Fucking legends. The legend. Well, that was fun. Someone said, you have no idea. I'm so happy right now. I'm happy. Hey, guys. Again, like I said a million times, there's nothing I want to see more than you guys making money, right? Like, sometimes I know we get a little crazy. We get all wild and crazy, but like, that's just part of the show. You know, deep down, I truly do. Like, I truly want you guys to win, right? Like, it don't hurt me if you win. If you guys buy a fucking Apex account and you get $1 million payout, like, that don't hurt me, right? Like, that would be the best. That would be the coolest thing ever. Some guy in the chat's like, Patrick, I got $1 million payout. I'm like, fuck yeah. You know, let's go, baby. Let's go. And the best part is, like, with Lucid, their new plans, you got no consistency. You got no daily loss limit. You just just trade smart, you know? Love to see it. Oh, wrong thing. There we go. We're back. So big shout out right now. Look at that. That was the pump. Fucking A. Gotta love it. And what's funny is look at the time. Look at the time, chat. Look at the time, chat. Look at it. What time is it? Anyone know what time it is? What did I say? 10:50. 10:50, baby. If you get $1 million payout, should we put BDH in our name? I mean, if you get $1 million payout, y'all fucking suck your dick. I mean, yeah, you definitely should be BDH. T-Trades got long at the 56s, out at the 408s. God damn. Let's go. Look at that. Y'all making more money than I am. It's crazy. It's crazy. Y'all be making more money than I do. There's a little noisy noise coming from your mic. Is there? Mic check, mic check. You hear noise? Little buzz. I don't know what to tell you. No more buzz. No buzz. I blame Jerome for that, by the way. It's definitely Jerome. Is D-Money out? I mean, he's gonna be here later, but it's gonna be awkward. It's gonna be awkward to see him because I'm gonna be like, well, what the fuck, bro? What do you know? Are you and Brett Simba, are you guys in business together now? Are we gonna see D-Money on the Tradeify TV show? You know, like, what? What is happening? What's the orb indicator? It's just the opening range indicator. The LuxAlgo orb and targets on TradingView. It's free, by the way. It's free falling. It's free falling. Do I feel betrayed by D-Money? Nah, I don't feel betrayed, man. Hey, get that bag, man. Get that bag, man. Whatever, hey, get that bag, man. Get it, you know? I'm excited for him. I'm looking forward to D-Money, you know, getting that bag. Let him get that bag, man. He just trying to make a little bit of money. You know, he got a family, he got a daughter. He trying to just make a little bit of money. Look at him. Look at D-Money over there. Just make fucking it. Look at this guy, handshaking. When I signed D-Money to the BDH, he didn't even give me a handshake like that. That was like a full-on, like, yeah, man, I love you handshake. Look at that thing. I can't, like, I want to, D-Money never gave me a handshake like that. Look at that. They're best friends now. Them guys, Simba and D-Money, best friends, man. We went to the fucking Dolphins game, and now these guys are best friends. It's fucked up. It's fucked up, man. That's some fucked up shit, man. All right, well, NASDAQ still grinding higher. If you got long down there at the 340s, congratulations. She going. She gone. You got the Dow reversing. You got the ES reversing. They got a gap fill potential. Gap fill puts us at the 480s, by the way. 480s for the gap fill. Can we go that high? You never know, man. We're above the daily high now, and I wouldn't be surprised. Look at that hourly candle now, about to close, looking real fucking bullish. I mean, I might not be a fucking genius, but I mean, that looks pretty bullish. That hourly candle now up there at almost the 420s. Bro, wait, you think D-Money's doing 6 push-ups now? That boy gone. That's pretty funny. That boy gone. PW, did you have a non-compete with D-Money? I didn't, man. I honestly, I never thought he would do that to me. I didn't think he would go behind my back and sign a big deal with Tradeify, you know? Fuck. I thought he was a good guy, man. He told me he would never screw me over, man. But money, you know, money's a real thing, man. Money's real. Money's real, man. It's real, man. Money be tainting people. All right, this hourly candle close. That hourly candle now, look at that thing. When you just look at it. And also, guys, that 15-minute chart, look at that thing. Oh my. Oh my. Now, D-Money will be here later on today. He can't leave, he's locked in for life. Signed with blood. Blood, got a blood contract. Can't ever leave. D-Money and the BDH go together like peanut butter and jelly, baby. D-Money, BDH, peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly time, peanut butter jelly time, peanut butter jelly time, peanut butter jelly time. Nah, I'm just kidding. Me and D-Money, we good. I'm just kidding. I'll take a picture later on, don't worry. I'll take a picture later. See, there's a picture. I'm just kidding. There's me, D-Money. He got his eyes closed because I got my eyes closed too. Brett Simba looking. I was amazed that Brett Simba didn't have a fucking Boss sweater on or a Gucci sweater. Surprise! No Gucci sweater. I'm like, what? Where's your fucking Gucci sweater at, boy? All right, new hourly candle just opened. So, like D-Money always says, maybe put some wick in here before pushing higher. We got a pivot point, by the way. Pivot point at the 422s. After that, that dotted line, 480s, closes the gap from Friday. It's December. Santa Claus rally could be in effect. 500,000 subscribers, give away 500,000 accounts. Whoa, bro. Slow down, man. Don't be greedy now. Don't be greedy. I mean, it's kind of like bull flagging. Maybe go a little bit more. I don't know, like how, like, you would like to think that maybe there's a little bit of a pullback here again. You know? We are giving away Warbucks accounts. That's right, Warbucks BTC. Chance to win. You got to sign up down below, and we'll send out some winners later on. My little Filipino man, I think he's drunk this morning. He texted me some weird photos. I was like, why are you sending pictures of your dick right now? He's like, oh, sorry, wrong person. I'm like, oh, well, good thing I don't have the magnifying glass, you know, feature on my iPhone, because I can't see anything because it's so small. Little Filipino man. This is the 5-minute chart right now on the NASDAQ. 15-minute chart, big boner candle to the upside. Hey, like I said, I might not be a fucking genius, boys, but what did I tell you? Do not get short down here, right? And you can say whatever you want. You can say, Patrick, you suck. Patrick, you don't know how to trade. Patrick, you're ugly. You're fat. You're broke. Your girlfriend's only with you because you got money. You can say whatever you want, but you cannot say that I did not tell you to not short down there, all right? I don't care what anybody says. You say whatever you want about me, but ain't nobody gonna tell me that I didn't tell you to not short down there, okay? Ain't nobody gonna take that away from me. You know, life is all about just holding on to the little things, right? Little wins here and there. I might not make $1 billion a day, but I at least told 5,000 people to not fucking short down at the buy and below the VWAP right there. Okay? So I'm just putting that out there. Okay? Okay. The new boat is crazy. Any new fishing videos coming? New videos coming. Wait till you see my new boat. My 42, that bitch is bad. Patrick, what's your setting on the orb default? What's it doing? These are my settings on the orb. Make sure it's on UTC 5, 9:30 to 9:45 for the 15-minute. Those are pretty much all my settings. Nothing really fancy, to be honest. I hate when the NASDAQ like does this, where it's like these little like mini flags, you know, like it's just not like a good flag. Like it's just stuck there. Like maybe it goes higher from here, but it's just like, you know, the risk to reward is just like terrible here. You know? How do we get into the giveaway? WarbucksBTC.com. Just sign up for an account and we're gonna pick some winners to give accounts to. You don't have to buy an account, by the way. I mean, UTC 5 is Eastern, so I mean, I think I would just always have it set to Eastern time. The rest of the world, all that matters for trading is Eastern time, you know? If you've already got an account at Warbucks, you're good to go. Don't worry about it. All right, there's a little bit of a pullback. Like I said, just kind of like Needed some kind of pullback there. All right, back into the 380, 390s now. It either has to like start to bounce here and squeeze back up, or, well, we might go a little lower. This is kind of that previous resistance. You kind of want to see that previous resistance turn into support here. If not, well, should go lower first. This is also that, you know, hourly candle now kind of dipping down. Seeing if that hourly candle is going to put a wick in here. And right now, just kind of dumped it back down, huh? There's that pullback. Da 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 da. What do we do now, Daddy? Help me, son, help me. All right, just kind of pulling back here for now. That's kind of what I was expecting. Just that didn't have much of a bull flag to get that momentum continue. So we got to pull back before going higher. They love doing that kind of shit, right? It makes sense. Fucking everything just fucking dumped right back down there now. Nasty. Nasty. No bueno, no bueno. No bueno, no bueno. Still dumping. All right, NASDAQ pulled back pretty deep there. Let's see if we start to get buyers stepping in here again. Just got stuck up there. So. Trying to see what to do here. Could be like maybe that dip buy there. Two-minute chart, we're below that EMA, but we're holding up right there, so. Not looking good. That's a just fucking chop, man. Got the VWAP down there at the 317s. Just a full pullback there. Nasty price action. VWAP is at the top of the opening range right now. 320, 330, yeah, 320 area. Crazy. It's been choppy, but I mean, we keep kind of like, you know, we put in a higher low, right now put in a higher low, so we'll see what happens here at 350s now. If you guys have not already hit the like button, the subscribe button, big thank you guys. We hit 500,000 subscribers here on the channel. So watching. For people who have questions, Lucid right now. Lucid has this deal going on. Right, the Lucid deal currently happening. The new Lucid Flex accounts. I bought some of these this morning. Use the code PW, get 40% off. Hey yo! NASDAQ just kind of pulling back here. This is like when I like to be patient. Just like to see something happen here. You know, see something happen here. The VWAP down there right now. VWAP is right there at the top of the 15-minute range. The chop is real. Want to see what happens. Don't want to be too quick to getting short with that VWAP down there, right? Like, that's kind of like my theory. It ain't always the right theory, but it's kind of how I try to stay alive in these markets, man. Trying to stay alive in these markets, man. $330s kind of bouncing around. Trouble. Down there, the 320s again. Right there at the top of the 15-minute range. VWAP as well, that white line. Will there be any buyers down here? You got gold selling off, you got ES selling off, everything is selling off here, so. There's that little pump. Pumpity, 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 pump, 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 pump. Pumped it right back up. Oh, my Lord. I took a little quick long. Look at this thing pumping right back up there. Take it all right here. Oh, from the 340s to 360s, make money, happy, happy. Drink Bacardi. And the reason I like that long is, again, we have that kind of swipe these lows there. I didn't think I mean, I was like gonna take it right there, but it's kind of what I was liking, that long off that top of the 15-minute range. This has kind of been that pattern that they've been doing, you know, like a big pump up, they dump it back down, and then a pump back it up. Playing into the chop here. Play into the chop. Be one with the chop. I want to be the chop. I am the chop. You are the chop. We want to be choppy choppy. By the way, trade day right now, trade day got the deal going on. 40% off. Trade day normally does not go on sale, by the way. So, if you've never checked out Trade Day, they've been around. I feel like they've been around for a hot minute, to be honest. They're not new by any means. They've got their new deal going on right now. BDH Trade Day. Day one payouts, the lowest cost, no catches. Trade Day delivers multiple accounts, pro-level tools, zero activation fee, built by traders for traders, the best value funded futures account. For a very limited time, it's $40 off, no activation fee. Use the code PW. So you can see Trade Day is day one payouts, end of day funded. Top Step does not have day one payouts. Take Profit Trader does not have they have day one payouts, but they have the end of day, or they have the trailing once you're funded. So I like it. I like it. Trade Day coming out there. Use that code PW. Win a chicken dinner. Day one payouts, lowest cost. Look at this pump. I mean, they're really doing it, huh? They doing it. Honestly, they doing it. Like, they actually are doing it right now, chat. It's crazy. It's funny because, like, I feel like sometimes, you know, it's very easy to get, like, caught up in these little moves, right? You're like, oh, man, the market's crashing. And it's so easy to, like, get short. But then you're like, hey, maybe it's not crashing. Maybe this is, like, the spot to get long at. So I think you really got to, like, slow down sometimes and kind of look at the bigger picture and be like, okay, you know, what am I looking at? What is going on here? What is going on? Kind of thing. And so we're pumping again. Back up there, 380s. If I want to see a long here, I kind of want to get this, like, to test this 360 area again. Let me see. Try to get a long at 64s. On the retest of that EMA. Oh, why you do that to me? Let me go a little lower. Maybe go like right here. Maybe like right there. Oh, you son of a bitch. You son of a bitch. Come on. Come on. Can I get filled before it breaks out? ES is kind of stuck right now. Should try to pull back here. Oh, no, 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 no. The low of that candle so far is 64s. Oh, no way. No way. Come on. Are you kidding me? No way. No way. It's gonna swipe a little bit lower first. Come on. I'm gonna move this down like right. Come on, swipe this right here. Give me like a little wick. Give me a wick into that 59s. Give me a wick. Give me a wick! No wick. Bullshit. Wow, it's so annoying. All right, I'm gonna try the long here now. See if we can push up through there. Trying to get back up there towards the 400s. Trying to like maybe add a little bit more into this. I'm trying to like sell kind of like up into this push here, right? That's what I like to see. That sucks to not get filled down there. That does suck. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Go for daddy. Go for daddy. Go for baby. Yay. All right, look at this 90 push here. I might sell all this into it and then just call it a fucking day, boys. Yeah. Come on. A little bit more. A little bit more. Come on. Oh. Oh, NASDAQ. No, NASDAQ, no. She failed me. She failed me, chat. NASDAQ don't love me no more. NASDAQ don't love me no more. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Almost 11:30 now. I'm kind of pulling back there. It's just doing the same shit that it's been doing all morning. Kind of getting to these levels, kind of chopping around. I mean, we are like the story here is that we are putting in higher lows. We held the overnight low. We have that dotted line to the upside there. You know, if we can start to go, then we should be, I'd be kind of looking at that dotted line up there, but there's that pullback again. If we can't hold the 360s, well then, no bueno, no bueno, no bueno. Needs to basically hold 360s here for the squeeze, right? You want to kind of hold 360s. If we can't hold 360s, well, then we in trouble. So that's my plan. I'm sticking to it. Nothing like going to the bathroom and making money, right? You know what I mean? You know what I mean? And they're peeing and holding on to my dick and just thinking like, man, I'm in a trade right now. Ooh, just, ooh, you know, it's like, ooh, ooh. You know, one of those, ooh, oh God, I'm going pee bad. Hope that trade is still in the green. I hope it's still in the green, I hope. 40% off right now. At trade day, use the code PW. You got Apex 80% off, $10 PA fee on the 100K accounts. Ooh, there we go, boys. Let's fucking go! Up there to the 400 push. This thing has legs. It could go to fill that gap here today. The question is, how choppy is it gonna be on the way? You know, that's what you got to ask yourself. How choppy is it gonna be on the way? So I'm gonna just take it all off right there. I got some stuff I gotta handle, some business. I gotta go do some business. You know what I mean? It ain't easy. You know, I used to just be a YouTuber with 5,000 subscribers, but now I have 500,000. You know, I got payroll, I got employees, I got people. You know, it ain't easy, man. I gotta get out there. I gotta make some money, keep everybody employed around here. D-Money trying to leave me now. He gone. That boy gone. Someone said Top Step X is running like shit. LOL. When is When is it not? When is it? When is it not? Call me. Oh man. Can you explain the Warbucks payout rules for a 5K funded? Yeah. The minimum payout is $100. So that's the only rule. Oh yeah, 33% consistency rule, right? So with the Warbucks, you have a 33% consistency rule, but that's all you gotta worry about, man. That's all you gotta worry about, honestly. Why is D-Money leave? I'm just kidding, guy. He ain't leaving. He locked down. He can't ever leave me. Me and him are married, basically. We got married so that that way we can always be together. But don't worry, he signed a prenup. If we break up, he don't get no money. Not even a little bit. All the money go to me. No money for you. Holla holla, drink Bacardi. You should wear your Marshall shirt to celebrate 500,000 subscribers. Bro, I don't even own a Marshall shirt no more. How am I gonna do that? How's that gonna work? Exactly. Well, I think the story of the day, right? The story of the day, my friends, is, well, it's oh yeah, by the way, Warbucks winners up top. We got April Piper, Shannon Skipper. Those are those real names? April Piper? April fucking Piper? That's your real name? April Piper, are you in the chat? April Piper? April Piper. I'm an April Piper. I like to pipe into April. Big shout out, yeah. So the Warbucks winners. We got the Warbucks winners going across the top there. The little Filipino man finally put his dick back in he finally put his little pee-pee back in his pants, and now he's got to work. Fucking A, man. Literally 11:30 in the afternoon, this guy finally starts working. It's hard to find good workers. It's hard. People will be like, Patrick, why don't you hire so-and-so? I'm like, well, it ain't that easy, man. You never know who you're gonna get. I try to hire people, and then they'd be like, well, hey, I can't come to work today because I make too much money. I'm like, what? What? Dude, this guy said, what? Some guy on Twitter said I'm not a daddy. I'm pretty sure I'm daddy. What's this guy even talking about? Is he confused? He says not a daddy material. Bro, I had sex one time and I got a baby. I'm a daddy. I think he's confused. I am daddy. I am the daddy. I'm your daddy. You're commenting on my Twitter, bro. I'm your daddy. Okay? This is what I told him. I said, listen. I said, I'm your daddy, girl. About to blow his mind. What do you mean you're my dad? I'm your real daddy. Get used to it. Man. Yeah, but shout out Lucid Trading right now with that big deal going on. Their new Flex accounts. I grabbed some of those accounts today. Lucid 40% off. You also get one free eval. If you buy 5 accounts, you get one free one free reset. Sorry, I'm a retarded person. But yeah, Warbucks getting payouts there. Look at those payouts. The best thing about Warbucks, guys, there's no profit target other than the minimum payout of $100. So if you buy an account and you make $150 in 4 days, bam, get a payout. You don't need to make 10,000. You don't need to make 2,000. It just make money consistently, 33%, and then get paid out. All right. It's that simple. Well, maybe not that simple. Trading is hard. It's difficult. Yes, not most people will end up blowing up their accounts and losing all their money and probably going homeless, but some of us will find success. But it is what it is. Let's see I want to see that video of Victoria, how many views it has now. Bro, 700, dude, I can't, 700,000 views on a video of my girlfriend walking with a beer. This is bullshit. I could post the sickest video ever of me doing something crazy, risking my fucking life, riding a 100-foot wave, and it won't get this many views. How is that possible? This guy said, anyone who thinks she's hot is probably a closeted homosexual. What does that even mean? If you think she's hot, you must be a homosexual. What? I mean, if thinking that Victoria's hot makes me gay, I'm the gayest motherfucker on this planet. You know what I mean? You know, if making love to a woman that looks like this, I mean, I'm gay, boys. I'm fucking, sign me up. I am a closet homosexual. Okay, hey, put the fucking rainbow flags up because daddy is gay, gay, gay. I'm so fucking gay, dude. You don't even understand how gay I am. I'd be like, if they were gonna have a fucking gay pride parade, they'd put me on the front as the fucking mascot. You know? You know what I mean? You know what I mean, chat? Exactly. You know what I mean. All right, NASDAQ. I think, yeah, the kind of like 480 end of day, right? This is that kind of same pattern. We pull it back to the VWAP, we push again. Maybe we kind of, then we get up there. Right, like we're not far away. Think about it. This morning we dropped 100 points in like 5 minutes. So the idea of going up 100 points by the end of day, you know? So, reminds me of Coming to America quote. If loving you is wrong, I don't want to be right. That, hey, that's true. I tell Victoria the same thing. I'm like, honey, if there's something wrong with loving you, then I'm gay, for sure. Oh man, it's crazy. What a crazy time to be alive, man. The world, the internet, it's so funny, right? I think, you know what it is? It's like, I think there's just a lot of people out there, like a lot of men who just like, they're just very unhappy. Right, I get it, right? It's hard, life's hard, you know, you're fat, you're a loser, you got nothing else going on. So like, what do you have, like what could you possibly, like what joy could you get in life, right? Like, they don't know, like they have no other way of like finding joy other than going on Twitter and writing, if you think she's hot, then you're homo. I'm like, bro, I guarantee, I bet you $1 million that you not hot. You know what I mean? I mean, like, just like let somebody live, you know, be like, hey, why can't people just like, we got to get back to the world where like people just comment and be like, thumbs up, you know, congrats, bro. They're like, whatever happened, like what happened to that world, right? Like the old world where we like, you know, a guy saw another guy with a girl and they're like, damn dog, you know, you done good. You know, like what happened to that world? Like, are we like we can't ever how do we get back to that world? Right? Like, why is everybody so upset when other people are winning? You know, like you see somebody else winning at life and the people are like, yeah, but the only reason that he's winning is because he's an affiliate. You know, it's just like, again, I've said a million times, like I just go live on YouTube. You know? I just go live on YouTube and it's like people watch me, right? Like you can hate me, you know, you could fucking think I'm the worst person ever, but like, I mean, I'm just out here living, man. You know, it's crazy. I just don't get it. I don't get why. Like, we gotta make the world. We gotta get back to like the old days, you know, fist bumps. What happened to the fist bumps? Ain't nobody fist bumping nobody no more. You know, I'm bringing that shit back. Everywhere I go, if I see somebody living their life, doing something, I'm gonna walk over and give them a fist bump for no reason. You know? And just, I'm gonna be like, fist bump, and they're gonna be like, what? I'm like, you doing it, man. You know, like you doing it. What do I do if I won the giveaway? It's in your account. If you won the giveaway, you'll have an account in your account. Patrick, make America great again. Let's not make America great again. Let's make America fist pumps again. You know, let's bring it back. Let's get rid of the bullshit, you know? This whole, like, everybody just fucking angry and mad at everybody else. Be like, fucking Patrick Wieland, man. He's got a Ferrari. What a fucking asshole. He's fucking, you know? I'd be like, hey, man, you got a Ferrari, man. That's sick. Cool, man. You know, like, just be happy for people. Let's just make people happy again. That's a good way to put it. I got all the answers. Don't worry. I'm running for president. Yeah, let's just fist each other. See? I think it's true. Look, Wispy G has a Prius. You know, I think he's gay for driving a Prius, but I'm like, hey, man, that's cool. You know, like, I'm not anti-gay. So if I'm like, oh, cool, you drive a Prius, that's pretty gay. But, like, that's cool. You know, if that's what you're into. So... shipping labels. I didn't get any account from the giveaway. Did you win? Is your name up top? What the fuck are you talking about right now? I'm mind blown right now. If 10% of the haters start loving, it's going to be a much better place. Yes, Dylan Butlers, if you fucking won, it'll be in your dashboard, bro. All right, NASDAQ pushing higher. The bulls are still in control. ES going for the push. NASDAQ going for the push. For the push. Push, push, push. Push, 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 push. ES is going. People be like, Patrick, you would never go long with 70 contracts at the top here. And I'd be like, yeah, well, you watch this. Watch me. You won't do it, Patrick. Oh, if you fucking watch me, boys. You watch me go fucking long there, 70 contracts at the fucking tippity top. You just fucking watch, boys. You just fucking watch me. You just fucking watch me. I ain't scared. I ain't scared. Thought you were done for the day. I mean, the ES is ripping higher right now. NASDAQ should go higher here as well. You know, I can't help it. I can't help myself. I see a fucking boner candle and I gotta get in, boys. You know, I don't know if it's because I'm a closet homo or what, but I see a boner candle and daddy wants to go. You know, look at that. Oh, she's pulling back now. Oh, God. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. No bueno. No bueno. No bueno. Well, we almost got... What is... Come on, man. Come on. Get. No, no, no. Pulling back there again. Oh, no. Oh, no. Patrick, can you gift me $1,000? Dude, I gift you millions of dollars daily. Right? Just the fact that you even asked for me to give you $1,000 is an insult because I have given you gold. I've given you so much and you still want more, right? That's shame on you. Shame on you. Ain't no freebies in life, motherfucker. Get a job. Me giving you $1,000 ain't gonna help you. It ain't gonna help you. You still gonna be broke. If I give you $1,000 right now, you still gonna be broke and lazy, right? Go get a job, fucking stop asking for money and get to work, all right? Ain't nothing free in life. Ain't nothing free in life. Josh took the big Warbucks payout. Sick to see the stream today. Let's go, Josh. Are you the $20,000 fucking payout? Dude, will you stop making so much money? Come on, dude. Come on, man. Stop making so much. Guys, I have literally, how many good trades have we had today? Right? You want me to give you $1,000? I'm giving you thousands of dollars daily. Right? I have shown you the way. I have given you the secrets. I have told you what to do over and over. You know, come on. D-Money will be here at 1:30, don't worry. D-Money gonna be here. Look at that, look at that. PW, I wanted to buy your course on Black Friday and I missed the sale. Deal. I got you, baby. We'll do Cyber Monday deal. Cyber Monday deal. Cyber Monday deal on the course. We'll do 80% off code PW. It's only 20 bucks or 40 bucks. You'll probably be like, yeah, but I want 90. I'm like, motherfucker, you greedy son of a bitch. NASDAQ still pushing. I know it don't work right now. I'm trying to get my Filipino to wake up. It might take a minute. I don't know what the fuck he's doing today. She's still going, still going, still going. Man, I like being back in this chair. D-Money gonna come in here and fuck everything up. I already know it. I already know it. I already fucking know it. He gonna come in here today and fucking put his white charts on and fuck it all up. It looks so good right now. Everything is fucking dialed in, fucking perfect. D-Money gonna be coming up in here and be like, let me put on my white charts. Fuck everything up. Fuck it all up. God damn it. Which Ferrari is that behind you? Top secret. Oh yeah, by the way, the code's working. 80% off the PW course. 80, it makes it like it's on sale. It's on sale, okay? It's on sale. Use the code PW for the course. And honestly, don't even be like, but I bet your course sucks. Perfect. Don't fucking buy it. I don't give a fuck. Like you guys, you all be like acting like I'm gonna be ashamed. You know? When is your new course coming out? Man, I don't even know if I'm gonna make a new course, to be honest. You know, like I mean, we just like, I'm out, guys, I am literally here every day, live on YouTube, breaking down, exactly. You know, I'm breaking down the moves. We're talking about all this stuff happening live. You don't need anything. You don't need a mentorship. You don't need Discord. You don't need anything. All you need to do is tune in to the live stream. That's all. Just fucking tune in. We do this shit every day live. You know? Like, well, I don't know what else people want from me. Guys, I literally gave you multiple bull flag setups and talked all day long. We talked about this all morning long. I said, hey, do not short here. Don't do it. Don't fucking short here. All right? What happened? Ripped. I said, hey, probably not a good spot to get long. What happened? It dumped. Pulled back to the fucking VWAP. Again, gave you a long there. Gave you a long here. Gave you a long here. Gave you a long here. Gave you a long. I gave you so many fucking longs. Bruce Selby, this is a live stream on how to trade with some fun. Well, you know, we like to have a good time. T-Trades up $7,000. Woo! Who made money today? Who made money? Who made money today? Who made money? Who made money? Who made money today live on the YouTubes? Oh, okay. Oh, www.1billion. Really, the code PW does not work on the course. Well, fuck me. Fuck me, silly. We're back. Doing it at the BDH. Whee! Is your iPhone 17 Pro turning pink yet? I'm colorblind, so maybe it's pink. I don't know, man. Ugh. Monday, man. I don't know what we did, but we did it. I don't know what we did, but we did something today, boys. We made a little bit of money. We celebrated the fact that YouTube did not keep me down. I'm not gonna lie, I was a little, I was a little depressed this weekend. I'm like, man, what am I gonna do, What am I gonna do? Honestly, so, I'm just trying to stay alive, man. Just trying to stay alive. Trying to make a little bit of money. Just trying to make a little bit of money. What watch? I wear this. This is like my daily watch. It's what is that? Royal Oak, right? I think, yeah. Royal Oak Offshore AP. It's like $20,000. Got the black, the orange. It matches the background at the BDH. I have a different band for it, but I wear this band because it's like doesn't get all sweaty and nasty. So, look how thick it is. It's thick. The code for the course is PW, 80% off. Why did they block your account? It was because the AI, the YouTube AI. What's the most expensive thing in my house? Victoria. Profit, can you lend me $1,000 per month? Bro, no, I can't. I'm not gonna give you money, you fucking loser. Get out of here. This ain't a fucking, we don't give out free money here. We be making money, but we ain't giving it out for free. Look at that Ferrari. Whee! Ferrari! Yeah, I think it's low. It's low. I want to see something. We'll try it. Oh, it's gonna be dangerous. We're gonna see. I don't know if it'll work. I don't know. Probably not a good idea to do it while. Probably not good to lower the car while there's a car underneath it. I was gonna lower the car a little bit so you can see the red car better, but I'm gonna maybe do it while the car is not there. Probably a better idea, because it just, the whole thing just goes and just crushes the fucking Ferrari. Now that would be funny. Hello! It's a new month. Are you trying to make some money? Ooh. I do. Do you need it? All right. I'll bring it to the office and it'll be here. And then worst comes worst, I can always get something, bring it to you. That's all? That's the only thing you had? Okay, bye. Someone said live on stream. Crushing the Ferrari live on stream? Yeah, no, that would not be a good idea. Let's not do that. PW, is Warbucks BTC going to double or triple your yearly income? Honestly, my goal is not to actually make money directly from Warbucks, like month to month. The goal is to scale Warbucks to be a massive fucking player, and then we sell it. That's where the money's at. Like, that's where you're gonna make money. I think I must have done something. Ginger. Because now the TV's off. I wonder if it must have kicked that breaker or something. I'll figure it out. Because now that TV turned off, so something's beeping. I think it's that. I don't think it's the actual.
It's making me nervous that you touch it.
Yeah, take this breaker off or something over here. Because now these TVs are.
Like, sweet.
Yeah, I'll do it in a minute. I'm gonna get out of here. All right. I'm gonna get done. I'm gonna get out of here. If you guys haven't already hit the like button, subscribe button, you know what to do. Something like, I don't know what that beeping is. It's weird. We'll see you guys tomorrow morning. The NASDAQ, it's not far. We're 50 points from filling that gap. I mean, kind of seems like that's where we're going. So that's it. That's all I got. If you guys haven't already hit the like button, subscribe button. Got some big deals happening with Apex right now. This is like the last one. I think tomorrow is the last day, but Apex 80% off, $10 PA fee. And then you've got Lucid hitting right now with 40% off the flex plans as well. And don't forget about Trade Day, 40% off as well. So a lot of big stuff happening right now. The prop firm game going to the moon. We're making some money doing it live on YouTube. If you guys haven't already hit the like button, subscribe button, we'll have D-Money back here later on. D-Money back in the house at 1:30 p.m. Eastern. So good day, man. Making some money. We're back. We're alive. We're living. It's the Gulf of America, baby. Peace. 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 Ba-do-do-do.